Odofo eneso so aye nyame pe ema na adom yen ene ehia wa Adom TV a na medenchia kese ena ebre obebi awo biara dwumedie we ye nkurahye dwumedie ya wo somfo ni tekotego megina ho a medi ho chiame na watwe nyina me no otu na montuo bi se obi a waye bia no ofiri kwatekwatre mu wahono obi a kwatre kwapen obi a kwada pen anse yenyini ya nwo obi a hye bi sika kokko ahye na no na obi bisa me se na meden na montuo we a mini kapre the edikano you have to identify what you really want to become. You have to identify what you want. Me jitu mu se bia oda na nye. Jitu mu sa setra wo mu no enye ne kwanso no. Ebi kwa jitu mu se ebi kwa wo free prison ba enche. Anempo da prison. Anempo edane ewu aja ho aye janka. Jitu. But if you are able to change your focus from what you like to what you want to attract, it becomes the power to move on. Seka ubetimi aha se yi wani afrinia eni wa brabo mu no aka ne apese ba brabo mu a ebe kenya o bebre na ne woni ena wanda so ena me de hiani o ena me de me Ghana ni o ena me de me ni bi o da bia na woto sa anwum e be koso ye Ghana ni aye hiani wo ye Ghana ni nkyese wo ye hiani wo ye Ghana ni nkyese se bo kwasampani wo ye oba nkyese ye wo hiani ana wo de be dan obi wo bo Yakopon bo se ne seso se be bi odo to ye no he nyoma bi wo mem ha ebi nim omam bi so akasa obetime bi se de na metime de nyoma we aye na mesuma ye odini. When you keep focusing on your lack, you will create more lack. Near any wa brabo no na wo de wani to so now kind be bia bebam de ntia make kasa ne se ye se ye bo se twedi ampone se so na kasa aye aduhwa ade manyankopon na de bo wiase enti wano kasa so aye aduhwa enti da be ka bia na bebam enti de bia na wo bobo ni uni ho na komedi mie na ye die na ye bre na ye kombedi we obebre but obremu no ukenya ho hye ho kuran edien na meyo na mefiri obrei mu edien na metimi da kama brabo ho na me de ekomo ndemie kwan ben so na mefa na ma brabo anya yedie na adware obi. Do not focus only on yourself. Every time you dream adwene say edien na meyo na empo mefiri tibia metimu ubisa ho sensem ya obo say adwene ba utim. When you identify and create mental pictures, twamfoni fada achi na ope no ho wahu twamfoni fada achi na ope no ho nya wo pe wa brabo mu no ebia wo ope kurupa twamfoni na hu be ma na sere ye be ma na ho ofese ye we de na man twamfoni se okope obi obehwe wo twamfoni se okope obi a obeboa no mabubra wo so be ma man twa obi asebe won de katasogro twa obi ono obeka bomu ambubra twasamfoni woni so ade bia hu no ewiase na emfoni na etwae obi adwene no. Every big enterprise you see was somebody's first idea. Every great thing you see was somebody's first great idea. So narrow it down to one major or two major things you want to have. The next thing is to change your mind about success. Where that also mean? Bebre yana yakasa obi adin kunimu awe sikani obi aye yi abrabom yenya we equate success with money. We equate success with happiness. We equate success with materialism. There be sika nye obi asabi wedding kunimu abrabom. Ahonya de nche obi wedding kunimu abrabom. Nemom udin kunimu a na anya sika. Ono nye sika na chese udin kunimu na anya sika. Making money is not success or happiness. But success is in direct proportion to the service you give to others. Obi a wedding kunim eye obi a ewa adwuma bi a woye na eka nkrofo ekra ne wona koma na wotwa neka. Wa hono kunim die no che se wo bi a woyo. Wo adwuma bi a woka na eka nkrofo abrabo ho na nkrofo no wo peyo na abrabo. Na efe eso wo de odini fanese ebi a ne oye sa mobile phones yi. Wa dwene hu se nipa won transfer ko ye nyina ye chi. Ento mobile phone se wo be hye obotom. Ye so de aboa won kuta hodie. Ento oboboa no akoto. Enti abrabo aye be de odi nkunim eye ne oye bibie na eka nipa abrabo ho na ema nipa ho eto no. Enti nye nkunim di ni wo sika. Nye ne nkunim di ni a oware oba papa na be ma papa. Nyo dia wadi nkunim bi a ote ba ono monsa da bi ono oni nkunim. Nkunim dini eye nia na brabo adi bibi be kam krofo brabo ho. Nempo etua na ka. The truth is that you can only earn money after you have become successful. You can only become happy after you become successful. Betimi atra se pagya wa beti. Ti ya me hu mrante bi ne ba na wa kunkuan na ho nsere woni nkunim so apagya wa beti. The great are always humble. The great always love others. The great think about what value they can add to your lives and others. One year din kunimu a won agi abodno o wa hobrase. One year agi dini o abodne kase no o wo do. Na one year wagi dini a sebe wakunko won abrabo adum pempenso Nyankopon ani gie ho no. One aye bibi ama obi anya so mfaso enti da bia wo hia de kono agi so kodan no. COVID ba ye so one year face mask one agi sika. COVID ba ye one year one friend is saying gloves one agi sika. Se sa brabo na wo bonda bia wo hwe ba bia sinto wo. Ba bia sinto bi da. Na wo ye ne yie ene Ghana ye kra nkonwa adentia. Nkonwa ye ne kromu ano sebe ye dan ye ni asese nkonwa asama no de a kona ba beto. Ena me kan ye ntimi chocolate isukoko ye dua ne kromu ha. Edien kwamba so betimi afa na ma koko sebe ne boa emre na ye coffee no eni koko no ne chocolate no ha obi abetimi atobie emre do ese wo abrante na ba wo hweme utimi bisa on sansam e bi kura ma me ma hint bi e akura bi wo Ghana ba bi betimi akwa ba bi e friend Cocoa Village wo bia koko no apɛ machine ketua bi wo be instant chocolate what I say adwuma na me ma no wo be instant chocolate abrofoma beba Cocoa Village abɛhwɛ sɛ de cocoa na sɛ de cocoa yɛ chocolate we ɛsɛ branch na baba otimi transe adwene na abetimi ayɛ abɛka nkrofo ababa ho na abafo abɛhwɛ ɛsɛ wonim nam papa chi a wokura wɔ henhe kura amanfo bɛbɔ kwan abɛgye wo nam akɔtɔn sɛ wokua adwuma ɛfa amanfo bɛbɔ kwan abawakura abɛtɔ de na akodi ɔma yɛ mpagya yɛ mu ne yɛ bi sɛ ho sɛ de na betimi ayɛ aka ma brabɔ ho na aka obi na ayɛ mfaso de ama no na since metra na matwa dwasu bigidi sɛ na wokɔ no nkɔdwa dwasu bigidi sɛ wodi gidie bi na ɛkɔ wodi ndaso bi ne nkrahye bi na apie sɛ mesosom yɛ mama bibi wa metimi aya aka brabɔ ho aka me kunu aka me yere ho aka me mma ho aka busu aka Ghana ho a ebenya me so mfaso na dan kwa ma me ni ho ayɛ de aka me aha na meja wo edin yam je so ɛyɛ nita kotego me nampanefo wɔ Adom TV nyina ase ɛyɛ me camera Thomas MCR sound ena Priscilla medamo ase uno nyame entina
October 5, 2022, ene eye ukwada ene sunyame de akyeye ni tekotego pani yedase ene unkranhyesem wate ano sa no na afi bedwam kase no na edo so efise no sia no abo de edi makoten bia obete ne se wo mo etete asalaja important ho no kire se bridge miensa onipa obeye kwan no yema wo no enipa bi asisi bridge no nsuo no kwan ka ho bi ena de wo mo ekomu no wo mo enam ena afi so na atefo kire se de ekoso efa won kuoma no bi abasobo esesa won saka so nipa bi ema won saka no wani enye ho ebi ka we ho ena ema eye bedwam kase memo ache medin de ma metra diamond me hyase Kromofo wo motete ashalaja ai no ewoga South Kroponim wo enkramantam mo ena wo mwada na di se anano contractor no obeye amasama ka so akwan no bridge anase ensamso ahodo miensa bi a wo yeye no enipa bi a wo mo asisi adan bi ene dwumadie bi te se filling station ni nyina aka ho bi ena wo mo asisi bridge ni nsuo kwan a enei ensuo to no wo mo akọ ahohihim
sa building we say study building we bra no ena wo ye filling ena wo de anua no ababa be si covet na government ye kwan engineer na ye kwan no wo de share wo think e fade bi aba ensuo ni mfam na nka enko no ena building la we say no ono efile ye ena e cover ho no no nti fade ne ba ya eye load ni ye mo no ena e be bie ho no na kakra e ma kwan ma ensuo ni timi e be sine ko ye
2012 ena me ba ha Isoto bia afi bia eba nanso emma se da afi abada ni ba betai ha kakra kwesi din nyina se senso no eto a baabi a makyerɛ wɔn no ɛsoro deɛ kɛse bi si hɔ nsuo tɔ a wɔto anwea hɔ asase no so pɛn nti hɔ no yɛ flat ɛde kɔ nsuo no mu nti nsuo no yiri pɛ na yiri afa hɔ na asane saa abɛgu yɛ ha bebree wɔ kwan ase nti nsuo no yiri saa na afa aseɛ na ɛkɔ nti ɛnkyɛ wɔ ha na ɛkɔ ɛsɛ wɔn sisi dan wɔ hɔ no wɔn sisi bridge no nyinaa.
Richard Amoyate ɛyɛ director wɔ Nadmo adwumayɛkuo ɛwɔ Ghana hanom asɛm a waka ɛwɔ deɛ ɛkɔsie ho eni.
Most of the areas no ɛyɛ low lying areas a ɛdan na yɛsisi wɔ hɔ no yɛamfa mmara kwan so ɛna yɛsisi yɛ but yɛn nso adwuma yɛyɛ no wontumi nka sɛ nnipa no amfa mmara kwan so na ɔsii dan nti no yɛngyaa no na baabi yɛ no nti kwan biara so no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛbɛ rescue wɔ mo na making sure say wɔn mu yɛ safe. Ɛno akyire no assemblies no ɛna wɔn bɛka wɔn dan no.
Ɔmanfoɔ bi nso a nsuyire ama wɔn ho aka a wɔwɔ amasama abato mpɛ so aso no kyerɛ sɛ fina no kwasiada a nsuo no ɛtɔɔyɛ a nsuyire afa wɔn no National Disaster Management Authority ɛyɛ Nadmo adwumakuo no besi nɛ obi ansi hɔ mebisa wɔn sɛ ebiadeɛ na ɛha mo ɛna ɔde ho mmoa ama wɔn.
Bo assemblyman amane ni bi ni ono so obaba ansana mr friends MP no so nam ka say on baba behwe say na hate nti nan mo de so far they abon amane but omo de homanya bansa
they matena ha 25 years 2011 ana yehu say nsuire ba ha kakra but anye ne say we anopa yimia ye frɛ Mr. Jedu manantimu akọ baby a ehokura eye flat no ensu afa ho nyina
2 years ago oba honorable be campaign your man your catcher no say our problem here is the drainage system nti o wi ni yekura yekọ no office wo catcher no and o see oboba na no na so say dey wa promise here obeba
sisi wokɔ hɔ no mu a ɛmoa ɛna edidi ɛkɔ wɔn fie ɛmrahyɛ bedwani akwasi afiri famensa ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛna animu ya ɛwɔ sɛ Nadmo adwumayɛkuo no etwa n'ani na wɔbɛboa ɔmanfo
ayiri afa aha yɛ one electoral area ɛfrɛ no ayikan dobro electoral area nura nsuo ayiri efiri ɛnane nansa ɛbɛ nyinaa afa nkrɔfoɔ fie bebree na ayɛwo sɛ mo wɔ mu ne sɛ saa electricity pole sɛ wode wadi hwɛ a eno so abu dada information ne say ka bi bebo mu be bosome be ensiani electricity for da bia om de ka begira ho no mo atwam kɔ om de ka begira mu no mo atwam kɔ me appeal to me sere wo mo person at a matter of urgency senso ato isade we yi ba beto enso yi mu a enipa wa ha nyina ebewu enti as a matter of urgency minim say ha se sawamu
Afeyemfi ensuyire ho nsɛm ho enko adesuane adekyerɛ nsɛm President anasa penipa oda Ghana National Association of Teachers a wotwa ne tia senata no ene Reverend Isaac Owusu ena wo kyerɛ sɛ won ekuoma no bi wo hɔ ankemra so sɛ wotumi enya abasobɔ no okɔ wɔ anim ɛwɔ wɔn adwumayem nanso besi nɛ enipa ɛsɛ sɛ ɛhwɛ ma wɔn saka sa abasobɔ no wɔn mo twentwɛn wɔn nase na saade no a ɛkɔ no nso na ne nye ho.
In fact, it's saddened that a teacher who was due for promotion as far back as 2015 until date, said teacher has not been promoted. It demotivates the teacher. So we have also taken note on that issue too, and not the lower rank alone, that of the senior ranks too, at hand, and then the issue of the distribution of the laptop, especially the slow nature of the distribution. We are in talk with authorities to make sure that, yes, those that deserve to receive the laptop, they should give the laptop to the teachers. Because come November will be 1 year when the teacher's salary was deducted for the device.
Wasanso akase wo hwe teacher fo bebra aban ede omo atutu nkrase na wo mu de omu hia basobode pa esanse tomre bi a otwa kwansi bebre etwa nsuo ansa na wakwa akoto emofra akire omade wo ho no ma wo mu de esesenko na basobode mpo no emu yedu.
Already even made statement on it because gone are the days World Teachers Day at the district level. Each district organized a program and award deserving teachers in the district. But of late, we don't see that. All the attention is now at the national level. But you see, at the national level, we are only bringing about a handful of teachers to award them. But there are teachers who are doing their work in the hard-to-reach areas. And we feel that we have taken the concern. We will sit with authorities to make sure that at least going forward, the district should be allowed to also organize to the district in collaboration with the National Teaching Council.
Afedi FM rane honsem so enie ase for su magistrate court na akwa setna ama his lordship Abdul Majid Iliasu ahyese krachi yi a woku ne yere a na nka wo friend Victoria Owusu na so krachi na nkasa womo oba no na nka wotai friend se na bruwa no wonfa no enkonkosie na ebrepem no wonsa fa no megina court na emra no ene no enni ewo asen north mercy mu na sa ewudisem yi ekoso
Bo ebobo some no ne de toso aduonu enkono wa fimpinu ne aduonu mienu ne mo no adom kase bebo amane ana wo kyerese osofo panyina woda True Redemption Church ewo asembreku prophetia Owusu abedi mfinhia no aduonum na yire dada wo frɛ no sɛ Victoria Owusu osofo ye twaneti amanato nananom ewo ensiede no mo sansem yi ho no asenfosu magistrate court his worship Abdul Majid Iliasu ena tepo no chi etena ensem yi eso na wa hyɛ osofo panyina ye awoku ono ankasa ne yire one no agyae nana bruwa dodo na edinem no enkwatwera post for kukum na wotwe miensa said ebe ye no betumi aboa ma posifo a wo di dwuma no watumi ayehwehwemu ye e dia fasa ensem eho ne senti bosumi etoso do ne de etoso aduonu num ne mu no ombesa so atena asem eso
Asenfosu municipal for no so na womo kyerese ese eho yade ho ahobambo ene ne hwe ne apomuden no eho eden ewo potem ho na so manfo so wo sa potem ho no bebrenu a ena wonse enso womo wo hawo ewo ho.
When I worked here, we would have probably 25 to 50 people waiting outside. When I worked here, we would have probably 25 to 50 people waiting outside under the tent all day long. And when I would finish up at the end of the day, 9, 9:30 at night, I had nothing left in me. There were still people waiting, and they'd be waiting, they'd come back. I knew what we had done previously with
Entimi kuma ruti crap for Canada na boa me ya bo ka be say $180,000 2 billion Ghana sikam enti amase say makoma tom yem pa.
It's about $180,000. It's about 2 million CDs.
Nurse ni a wada dental clinic na no e St. Francis no ene adom kase akasa.
So obi bana ne se ye ne ya na ehia se yetwa x-ray to confirm say no kre ne se no tokro na du say enti ehia se ye procedure we mana na ye ni hu akade na ye de be confirm sa diagnosis no this ye man call Cape Coast anase kumase no akotwa ne se no infoni de aba ansa na yetimi ahwe no but nyame adom se se enya x-rays mienu a eboa ye
Reverend Father Moji say na so ma brofu iba Ghana no so etu o man nyina fo se se mfidi abai o manfo no ma wo sen apomudin hia won afeda mo de amanebo yi efi St. Francis Xavier Hospital wa asenfosu ena bradom kase.
When I worked here, we would have probably 25.
We so ena mejina de Badwam kase no esi Badwam dwumade no ahyase antide ekoso ewo online ahodo no mebobo so e de ama na afi de bonkrata no so eno so montremu no enti anope ye kabom kase ye moache e de ba Badwam dwumade so me ma hwefo ache na oman hene ne afia mpam cho me ma moache
ejo so na bibia boko
nyame adom boko
mekon edo oniaba ene womusa kwansu sa yellow nye green yellow gidi no
no
na omode momone ko bia wo no na abenkwan ni ngo no
kwango no
omasa edi awo no na wape maybe cat take it to a me Eddie I want now the Jane kitting so Jane kitting now they see and so now be not what you try I can do in physical what you try I can do in the garlic and Swiss chain any tomatoes and then I'm condo and none of it we are no here oko a punuma catch of the day o he tilapia obi TV o say akweda ba obi problem
open the oil
I told them to me basa enti we can krato a se bia o ba refi ya afiba asante ene eje je wa ma
asante bompa eni pani bra brepa na o de o kika kaze ba kaze
eni pani abrenti
asiba kame su be kan no
we de obedidi
o ye de obedidi se obi yare se obi eni sika se obi esi na ni su biri ni o ye de yin
obedidi
eno ti ye bu ba se si yesu kura o jare no akohim ye di bebrebe achi de kura de aduane kura ba be pia to be bi ti anope bi she on kura se aduane hu hia tididi onko na de bia utwa adwo ya bre you know ti edu be bi so am free body nim kakra o hwesi the press laws de bia da so obedidi ntino kwanche gota ho food and that to aka say me aduane wo de bia ho na food ho to aduane wo de ka muntie we aram fuso obi anya ne ho de tie say de wudi akoni paduani mu no very important to the kwanche koso na no da de ye mu kumase no say me see me petre by phobia fast e de egu body nim I de ta kamena me kono ti nyesi ye kan ya catch order that say aduane esi gata ho me kan kra na PR text me eno na e papa koso aduane na esi gata ho na e papa de koso na to na say de o share me no aka chem say ana me ho de ko me na say malaria na I say jaundice e kan unti e ka se me cho de bia o yeska ko twa ituma de bia ba bia ya tu ni wo de wudi akoni peduane mu your problem oh wow ti mo di disa fruits bia ni di afimu ni nyina president opa check o diet table no fruits say ewum why table why yira kwan kra anopa tutu o se sa aduane gari ni banku ni fufu ahye body ni mu masi tam
hwan no
na bonya cameraman na fu ha pusi o jira we
asewuni
mon susu mon nwene mapo mu de ho ye ka ne say dia de bia no mon ti ase me from my steps be 3 seconds ya ti amates no me hu amahu na himachi o mfi o me ma no enye aduma keto o ti esremu ye ka ne say na wo sa check up very important obi atena se pa se mfie be nsie ni se ne se pa o de ko dentist ho never ne se na so kra de o hwe mu poda o na ni de kra na ni we no on come yen hwe se boni no ho asem te sen ahodi wo mu anase sin to be efa no because be ko she be for prupu so a no no apa handkerchief no de wo na ni asese ya mema so amo twita kratintin te sa kwa de bi de na odi num na anopotutu no sa yi we nyina akere ye ho amani o ya me apomudi enwu yan onko check up da engo hu se bema watra 40 so 40 they got more tia from kakra prostate there be liver there be kidney there be we there be we so nya hwe o so say o strong the for strong man koso o se ka betimi akwa 10 years without oil da un change oil un show brake pad o nya hwe kwa na o bo one day grind na mambia otu area ha o ka cho se o de obohu di besi na dia question say ono no amana yesa ti mesramo de bia da na otwi monitor presla week we muntade a wa hye nkoa no o calculate a o ko hospital a na koye thorough checker enu even 1000 cedis ba otom atade no 200 a week 1000 cedis o ka say 1000 on for go ntade na wato no for anko hospital baby am ko impact nsi obekika kra che wa hwe a wo be no wo de breast cancer so ti asori fi breast cancer wo de ti asori fi edu baby a mo ma adwuma no ye din dodo enim se onyame de bibi bia ni asase we so a ene yona ene kra achiye bia ni ho so onyame ka cho se na breast cancer obetu no boom obetu nye de nyame nye da ebi ni ba nye ne kra se wo de kontra asori fi ya kika yi ne ya kika de ndie sa yi kra mi hu bu da wo de wotimi je de ko buta ne be kra do be sore jawako ka me ke no ko de aso ya kika yi ne ya kika de edisi
ya kika yi ne ra oka onka se o se
ba me mo bi bia kwa ba mo bia ya le di yo ne ya wi kama e de kwada ya start on a very good note inti le di scholarship secretary boss no oko MPP headquarters I know me from say
my public account committee now because they when you ko bia ho to me analysis of bia to me who say eh obi di afi vegetable ba fruit ba kokura with the public account committee for here pacho koboa okay scholarship secretariat boss eko MPP headquarters intino adekwa okoye no ho no ni nyina ye Ghana kanko no bia nkontabuo ne se de eko but meti bia chemumba minim se koso ma se first no na ye say koko scholarship no ni o hu koko da ne banso hu bi da na ase na nse omunya but ase asem no meti ya te
to say
o mo ye koko na nya
o mo I think say such like abem koko fo ne ma no
okay
enso nya bia kama
yeah okay yeah nyasem kitwa enti eno ho asem eno no ena local news ne so Kufuado NPP gurus pay last respect to former chairman enti eno so penifo ekoja yereyi ena eno so ho asem adomonline.com ebo ho amanie Ministry of Health induct medical herbalist from KNUST enti wo mo ekosua enhabanro said obefrafra e de aye enrama Ghana for apomodin no ena wo mo age won atum safo no koje ntete no e wo KNUST suapomu wo Asante Mantamo Ghana Water Company Limited assures regular water supply after flooding assurance no de bema na so se ekoso aye de na ensuo no so ye benya enti yenya ensuo no so ade efiri mu ba no so ye benom yenom na ekoye mu so ade ebeye no so ye Ghana for enti assurance ne de omode aba enti edaha suspected thieves tortured at Galamsey site yenu na ahumtio mse pacho fia ne omanya video ni ya ahumete so eye because ye tete hana edu ahomachi omahin se water so yi no de abetena ha ne yakasa saa na untie ne acho Galamsey site ne atocha wa mobo so eye because emraso oman mu say ehwe nipanim ne yatia no enti adomonline.com no de mpamcho de wa ha bie no
okay if you any times say
before times no enne teacher ni bia danase asena yete radio ni TV so kasa teacher ni bi ntia from crèche till when I was beja school a teacher for nyina ya salutumo na mi hira mo pa mo ye adwuma nso makatua ni sha rade en company for ho na bebia katua ni akese na ye kra ye ma 2x4 kra kira ma de ane yakukutua so dendende ti se wo kira nkra class of bay 50 40 na wo tm stop talking no ni ade na wa kira ade na ye ntiase teacher for nya mi hira mo nyina baako na mo ye dwumade kese ewo tamale ebo teacher for abaso na mden kam se obi anya abaso bodie ni bi na enso be sure se kakra nti teacher for bi a wo hwe ye sabra no pay ye ma mo nyina mo ene ayiko mu nyina mo ayade amo sefata se ebo mo abaso bi anya dan ka bibia wo sefata bi ese nke de mamo enso se wunya ne saa binim se brese mu no mu nyina mbanya mu de baako nti ne rade nka mo ho ho na de mu ye bia enkoso na mu nyi mo yam enkyira de yie na o mai nkwa ni mu ya mi hyira kyekirefo nyina woni mu kyekye bia number anya hwe kwa de momo bi kra esu a so ho appreciate no ana wo frɛ no no waka bibia kyerɛ no so ani ade a I think say yes when yes sika kra na wo sɛ da frɛ no o say eh obi kra kai me a so ho fine ti akyekyerefoɔ na mi hyira mu nyina baako enti ene na meto ahwe na so no wajai teacher
agozi mu re
oh teacher sebe
ade de ya wa brabom kura se
sebe ne
wan kasa wo ye prophet wo wa ofia fo no hye nkom kasa ja nkom problem ene na we nsa wa o we de se ye wo ni anti comfort ba we se ye wo ni se agozi na be ko so ama wa ye kese onipa de onipa to asa ye kase kanipa asema
na se dure fie na ye se o shira ye
bi enipa fie fo ane den ko on fa so da because the sad no go so mind material o di se we de nyamie nim ni se ye kika bebuo pass o de be so afa no bi yi na setire anu waka se cheche ni me tia
fa chebe
eti office unim me tiri nchen wa hwa tramia tra have Kenya say kwa correct everybody nyakopon mo mati che adwuma ye ya
facha me why say ben na say no wa beka ye hu ntimi hu so ye cheche ni
oh me da wasi
enti facha me ba we ye once a teacher always a teacher enti facha me why say ben so ya de bi now check class eh ana
me chere GSS also was GSS 1 GSS 2 GSS 3
hina o chere now ye de bi ya na say three teacher oh no so
so
oh wow
the chronicle
when you chronicle it's a for your mamumo Ghanaian time the Democrats are in Niger for 38 and as foreigners 38 and no bofu achimota ho and you ra he quote ma me say some kan week he mu no wate as I saw ai it's any ya surround o mu nyina gu Ghanaian times ani mu he ne wo mo luggage omo do so omo be dey no mu kwa
omo be patcho ye ntu aba
ha Ghanaian time Democrat anu no na nipa miensa bi esusu se asobotwe sa abayo na ko interview man kesim no sa nipa miensa ni nyanu edo omo ko gina adaka mu remande wo omo samra 25th October Adom ka se so hwe ya ye bossa amane no enti Ghanaian time Democrat anu dia no pay onso de beni yesi nyame ya adom a eye Cocoa Farmers Pension Scheme no take it off next month pay 24 na money ba owura Peter McMenu wodani mo ha wode to jani nti say na nanu akuafo kokofo no omo so ba benya pension scheme na say na wadwa kokoo ya dwa ndachi bia okona ho megie mu a sikantintu obi eda ho a obetumi de ahwe ne ho Ghanaian time the Democrat amane bo ano pay a wono so ede ebaye
The Chronicle, we just say you know, every celebrity Ghana and English call ni Basron Kokra, Yera Kwame Ofusu Banfo. Say the deal with the entire Metropolitan. The Chronicle are celebrating the year power and we say sickness. Sana obi Alisa Hotel, Alisa Hotel. Nti yebo Alisa Hotel de anani rano Kwame Ofusu Banfo ana ye kana asemi. Na no da wa bie ba konso ewo tema na ohwese de Chronicle sia twro ne ho nsema afa era eye Kwame Ofusu Banfo ya FEE pa nti oji Chronicle de bokata ne bia na oso apebia kai o say LPG consumption rises from 14.5% to 36.9% within 4 years and Nkwatia Chief Demands Corporation of Settlers big one Okwasante Mantema NDC in disarray, sweeping calls for fact-finding committee report. Accra-based Eagle ISET also issues 72-hour ultimatum. The Chronicle, the Bakata de Odiabande. Daily graphics say wager floods, hundreds displaced, low-spirited, and Chiefs residents want Empire Cement to operate. And once more, College of Physicians secure 10 million euros to fight disease. And after the Daily Statesman, Agenda 111 on course, 87 hospitals at various stages of construction. And what's the Daily Statesman and so the New Crusading Guide. Wager McCarthy Hill Youth Buyer Funds at Empire Cement Saboteurs. And the big one, MEDA, 536 million US dollars Ghana Power Compact ends. Agenda 111 to bridge 60 years gap. Under the Herald Democrata, Parliament threatens the Herald with contempt over $2 billion US GMPC Gensa gas loot. bribery allegations and tension take over offensive stool matter. Otufor holds crunch meeting at Menchia Palace tomorrow. Delegate, if you are first now,
Delegate, Obokra Tana Mede, so man Kasim killer bags for suspect. Nani say Nana Clark no, and all patch. I was a third accused person no. Jonathan Obey, only more way, Pennyfonia and Monko. Nano one knew, say ye omoba becum asobuchi. Into where was court no, or moon dealing with or no name, Osophono. Na Jonathan, 26-year-old guy, only more way, to where the old Jinama Pacho. And see, and was simply delegate of Bocratano, dear, but no shooting in a mono, me and sending in a yard one more cocoto a fiasse, and one asemony. Now, we want justice for all parties. Chinese man lawyers and a Asian na China Nina will be a Juma NASA construction firm or a Ghana 4-year Juma or days a second war ni minimum. Yamina just our branch here. The many said one more pay attention will be a any mu. Man penny out the dunker who forward to a near Britain tintin compact 3 ho and what in any air share. Now was an eyes mida compact 3. Ain't man penny out the dunker who forward to Babaco US the minor emu. Enra wane midam penifo ehyiaye na compare na ho so ye no ni ade ode ababeto nanim wo hwese de o ma ya kodro na se o mo se o mo hwese 3 ho no mo ni hwe enti delegate Obokrata no no so ensama no pay ode ebaye eno no
Lady if you my joy enough
ene da ha no sase no na afuntum aframfram na de da ha no se de nim se Ghana tie no eni enti kenasebe. And I work say our leaders are either complicit or incompetent. Because ananu year, we na nimu afa galam say you know, leader be am one or match remupona mem ti quiet no de ohwe anke ho ye quiet. And a detchiri ho ye to say de aye no da ho no nti eno so ho asem eno no and our scores of residents displaced others strapped as wager oblogo and tetegu flood na enura na me bisa wo newsroom say fear ni oman won say ensiachi ban ye insurance no onipa enim ho nimde no wo mo ye bi enti as oman say Ghana no ono oni insurance ni e ma me bisa sa asemi ni say even news you mu kra no mo say 50 Sunday nadmo for meboa omo meboa mo because one there yeah motete ho no nya afa na asi eti fine eno there ho but na no to say covid by na ye de baby sports for hin or pram near the aye camp near the amount for near the obi fie near the Pentecost for omo baby kese hoi na ya je near the boaboa so oman no say Ghana no ye ni ensiachi ba ma oman no say bibi ni na seputupuru a sa ensiachi ba no betwitwa age oman no impofiri wansa na kire ya hede ebe ya na okay entino enra na awia no wo hwe se de Kofi Eje ne date hene omutwa asalaja hono ne sampotem hono a ayeketwa wa ha de but se enra wo hwe Adom to brekase a obehu se Ghana ni insurance o my Ghana no oni si achiba myjoyonline.com no
well if you be home
oh yeah we and ma shase beba 11:30 na sample for J said na shase tie
akosample for J ba no I see akosample for J ba no the late
so beba
ample for J o kai news Adom FM
mpacho o ye big agenda
na nipa mti na de obro wasimam sei yanko so Pese
okay
na wonya nyawanim ede na gawo gabiem
mini hwe enti ne ye nyina no so madaro ma sara mo je brush ye no anopai de de bon krata ne news ne de aha ena edin de kwan so ye de besie de mum dwumade ne ya hyehyɛ efisa agudie mu nsam eto so sesie ya ye kwei professor UK Wallace eba na face sister Sandy be a guy and all this samukra and then I fade power de bo bani tagewe ya nya steady obeton ye tissue issue nyina obeba ode ahosepene beba na afisa muso ene nkomo edapono so me dofo ye TV aha ye ni agoro tese wotimu se bibia ya hyehye bia ye kama pensem muso beba afidie ne ye mpon ye te so saa intimane na ha ye da sipi so hye ye kwaba
Akwaba kesi me ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwonju me die so dia we kan see on sempa esa kana no pan so ja me di Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature of the professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messi Kunya Elkono Quantin Cordin small do and sakana no pen so e we gana gudim eja so no ma me se nyuma kunya miensa o madama woman album skadwe tremen no pen so den common 18 samba 1xbet I've always told you that betting is better than soccer wa bet there intasima we chen so twa no before ana din befu twa no kuma bi adi no kuma sa no manum and nti ka che busuafo ne na fofo se eni open bet there 1xbet no na ma boys enya mo financial freedom see chairman ye jai e ma nema 18 samba to ye e mo intasima bet e chibi ne se hwes na hye ni si kwa bet there utwa no before obedi no befu ne mo twa no kuma bi adi no kuma sa no manum omodin ada so sabiti kan 1xbet o betia na da adwene kakra tian sa to huni brufini wetwa emfa hunyim enye sa bet diwa adwene bebom timbetian sa hyehyew 1xbet ho danse ana medidi ama no je fast message do that she say gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis why fita na so di po na chiwa do bua prapro hrawa na obrabo ho ma otimi di gineche bomodin ada ko herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne mu also open je fast na no kwesida no papa eni behwe aso dem amafo nyumo moto only je fast can save bomodin ada so sabiti kan je fast message no eni do ba ko bitia boa Sedimo gel and roll-on and also your ultimate pain relieving gel feel pampa so be pimo na se do ba ko eyi yawdie edi feel na boa mo pomo don se megina pintin we radim no Sedimo gel and roll-on for any charge chairman me market on sabetia kabiteman so enye na ho kra betia frame e was 0208986731 na on Sedimo gel and roll-on yenhwetwe nkomo yehwemu a ema ne ema entintuto yimfa mo apomoden we mu ene sponsors a wo mo etachiri eboa emena no penso dia wo kensi won sempa ensaka etija tientintom e wo club issues mu dia media sporting club nkra ne chese omo fans no enche no mabo coach ni ke wom no mo chese wajane na apia ene ho nkoni aba chese wo hwese ne Mexico so a enche no mapam coaches e wo dwumedia wo dim no ne nam so ema omo new coach awaba coach David Duncan enka na coach Ashanti Gold Football Club na sentem the latest job boy kwano koy assistant coach Ed Masiki Akono e Black Stars of Ghana camp ne akopiem se coach Eden Komo eja Media Sporting Club fans ne se omunya abotoe na afensu kwano omunlowa omo expectations e wa kinsinim esan se on the ultimate fa e osura hemamu en show mo bose obitian sanboa ma Media ejina mapon manyina bia batobe na fam die no aboa e maniema akoye e Media Sporting Club
wobeso Media poboku ni mu no dodo na ani age ho pa akansi ahodo miensa odi nkuni mienu ene wodi ntwe baako owura David Duncan sene da ya Media supporters yo motakwa omoye no se coach bi edi team nanim ne sene modern morning nkosora omotoche no no makopamo no ebere kakra ni ya papa ye beso opoboku no mu no ne modern mono nya de wo fom ewum se league ni watwene mu kakra de nanso papa yi esre supporters no wo se wo nyanyame botaya de ahye ne nsa no wo komatwe odi afiri wiem na se nyankopon boa no a obeye de obetumi bia ne boboko no adie
very much applaud and I appreciate so much their love for the club, how partisan they are, how passionate they are, to stand behind the team, root behind the team, and support the team through thick and thin, you understand? And I'm just hoping that it would be so throughout the season because, of course, I wouldn't promise them heaven, but per the game of football, and the kind of results it chance out from time to time, they should just continue to root for the team. Like I'm saying, it's a marathon, so in a marathon sometimes you can lag behind, but at the end of the day, ultimately, what the situation ends up is what they should judge the team by. And of course, their input is going to be very much welcome, which is their support, unrelenting support, even when the going gets tough, because a game is played 90 minutes plus and anything can happen within that period of time. And it is at that point when the going gets tough, that will be needed most.
Wobeso Media poboku ni mu no dodo na ani age ho pa akansi ahodo miensa odi nkuni mienu ene wodi ntwe ba
ti coach David Duncan and Altene Cancer Media Sporting Club latest coach Odin Nkomo 8 major na hazofu aka che no na amafo nim se Kumasi asan roko obekọ nanim e Confederation CAF Champions League akansi na nso kotoko omo first game omo ne Kadego boy no ana nwe ne sen e honom na hazofu kenso na omo eko CAF Confederations Cup omo se kwantenten ana eda ho eletron me no kasa die ase nya ben opo ba tan bia na edi na so setwen na mema me ba no num wi a omo kwantenten bia e emere na so se nyame adoma ifia dai hazofu bebu marketing na fe memeda omo de akensi ne tiansa kopem so omo ne eye real Bamako omo mali ene de akensi ne betiansa pem so na omo goalkeeper ne din Eric Ofori Entry EOA ne bosha wodi aba ne se we confidence nyame adoma sa kensi se ko ba se no dagu ma obeso bo sa bo control fi nya dia ebetimi apepa ne na hoda akoto atena na mu obehwa aboa e ma has akwakonanim
no makomali empate mu ho eni bamako popoko ndi akopa mu a CAF Confederation Cup akanse di kan no obehwa ne musu obedinkunim na nora ahosesie ne twakoso okwakyere mighty jet e Martina Astrotef no so po ne ka baako ene wantumi ante encheye ena wokulu coach enkane na oya bedechire edema prosper ogumu asante kotoko omo paw no se omedi boboko yanim omo sesi omo ho a omo hwe ne mu se Ghana franka no asante kotoko de ahwefo a womo house of folk omo pagya kosoro players na awiata so omedi nkunim na brante oba boboko no mu ncheye Eric Oforiantwi alawa wase nani ajepa se house of folk agina tumu a Confederation Cup no obesi akande ama won na yenda eso so ne boboko no bekọ nanim sanya bia no group stage kura na omoso di baji omudin.
Very excited. I think House of Folk a big club. I was looking for this opportunity. I think I'm very excited. Like I said, we always work hard. We'll be an opportunity. We motivate ourselves. The team first.
See, as a folk and I call Africa now for the Confederations Cup against Kessenet and Copem some goalkeeper. If I say Alawa and I'll turn a castle and come age. Every 2 months, Rebo Kwansen and sent them as a full form paying for so it's me. Eddie Ahomache chere dan twamu se omo commercial secretariat no no achi infrastructure wodo has of full de agu akwamu ewo Pobiman complex so anya sem keto akwa tim sampa has of full mu be de so bi baabi na ne akoba ne se has of full projects omo ye nyina de aso hye nam so makura kono mo kra no fo no ebi ato korokofo so yipa ukopiem wada koja achi project ne de atim sampa korokosi yu a ne din na yamponsa akofa air container besi o hwaso fo kunso mu cement dan atim sampa ebi di nkyene achepa wo dwumadi omudi no nanso na yamponsa ba bonten se o ma hazo folk adwumadi omudi no emfa so hye embetom so enche bia adakoja ache project no amanfo bi hu adwene wo.
And I think we are on course. Yeah. I will want a situation where by the time we are leaving, I mean, this year, our accountant tells me, and I saw the report, financial report, we declared profit. Under all these circumstances, we brought in a fiscal asset, look at the bus, worth over 2 million cedis. We're also putting up a structure at Adakojachi. So we want to have one infrastructure development in the club. We also want to have that financial base. And we also want to inspire hope in the fans again. That is doable. It's doable. And I've always said that Asante Kotoko is bigger than a lot of foreign clubs that I've had the chance of being with in terms of stature. But it's the content that has been lacking. So if you can match the stature with a befitting content, that will be it for me.
Enti nese na ya mponsa chief executive officer Edema Kumase Kurobia Asante Kotoko Prince Meduka Tabre Pambo Bubuku no and I'll tell can say what then come agent say Adakuja project in Chibia. It will make a lot of sense to almost fans on air container has full for so cement dying out in Sampa Krum Hadi, Yamfa container energy, Yamiadoma, and Kumon be Brinana catch the best idea bro view. Send some say Bernard Paddy Butchie, I am more fascinating pompa, ne, and a birthday Bernard Paddy Butchie himself, or I guess I'm more a chichine bench na, and then Mama Bernard, and you need two, and fitu, a bit of Buama, Ubia Sumet and sign a day, I only you two, and the fitu. Bemo bia suma dwono kroma Bernard Padibutwi oscillating and revolving a producer obodwuma bruta obodwuma 1 week na okotra few 2 weeks oya de say enti so bia Bernard Padibutwi bia no bia jiw 2 e wasana nyama esi ekoso happy birthday kese pa ana nkoma me di sia na madawase na ma chelpi adentina ni ma onye kese yifu bia ni da soni na mfa nko ba bia ni da so na hyɛ so mam sɛ dwumadi atwa no awohyi bubu ahyi kaneshi agogoloshi feda baka kobo me kada so mada kuma kofodua so nsan kedibodua asman kese brima ponte fade kitekrache. The act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Merenchaka see free air kokomle fan of Ash Street and Ebro, my catch was the world of entertainment. Obe Shiame, Juada, Nuku, and any fee. 7 a.m. My name is Sandra. Or him in Madara Menti, must say a friend is saying. When you start singing, where do you die? Oh, your guy, Sister Sandy. Yeah, poor Medico Kunikosi, osmosis. Oh, your guy, Bonsema, Akara. Na ase ebe ko ene nsem no so no. I was me dey nkasiebo we twam real quick. Akoba ne say akoso ache. Mabu mani aguso. Na me nheda nyu obi asem we kwampo no. Enka mebo so. Ba ma ya ma, I mean it's time I was me kasem. Emprempi no. Aya na obi pese ode me ye commercial advert. Ana se me ton bibi ma no. Ehwa bon se kwabna ni bia fa akire no akose no. O se we na pese ode ni twa advert. No wetiem. Na adwuma na bome. We na pese we na ya advert na me nye bi. No wetiem. Se mo ya total kwa ba social ni media no so. Asoma nkofo report me pages, especially me Facebook ni me Instagram. My report pages nessa. I'm a Facebook restricted me post. Na tie bibi ye mu bi no de ye ni adwuma jeje ni ye sweat no adwuma media na ye post ni ma na ye eji eno ana ye it wo yesa wo se ma adwuma sa nya me nkwa na wo ha mi o ha enkofo asabi nya me adom no omodan me a omodidi efa me mu wo se ho ana wa block omo nyina edidie na wo yesa nyankopon be hira wo yesa nyankopon e be hira wo enye momu bi no mutimi ka bom mema 4 papa no on the side near sponsor me sraw me da soro ya me ni obi a me ko finance sika woni ho eye je me ye adwumaden ti me sraw wate nsa dansa yem me pa cho ense adwuma ma me sa enye nipa na mbe so de me be ye no ye fine ba ye nko gina ho nsa no to the extent say more report me social ni me media no social media man near your life at the end of the day no me journalist am TV so entertainment presenter papa me adwuma enti mo na social ni ho amunya adwuma nye ba fe na efese ye pon e betwa agu because say no we be for call the numbers no e ka ho ti mesere mo de madam ma mutimi twagum to views ne numbers na kaka ye ntobi ti me pacho munja ma wate aha na metena kan wasem na anya oda nya afi na me begyae oye dia meka oye nko ade a meka eti wo so ne nko nsem no so na nya me nka wakoma na gyae sa asumdwe nka ho osmo I am a pan. I across watch it. Never send me voice out. Ya na wo sere kwa ye ndo daddy lumba. And you mean no na me madam for papa pay kasa Millicent Omare o sales. Madam for bebo pa ba kono no. O pelumba nyom pa na me say Millie ade na tie lumba nyom sa. Na Millicent ka che me say oh lumba nyansa sem o ka ba. I was thinking study ni nyom kwa o schools. Na me say eh na me share that e call daddy lumba collections na me tie. Na koba ni se wo chire mu ba one by one. Eto de ye no osire kwa no e na ahya asie. Na asem e ka ho de twonwom no. Oh. Tie bi ba.
No kwa de mesa to ama wo. Every say wo ho sata mana em say na me yare ka kra no. Wo ho na release sa bo. But you ye be na de ba.
Yeah, the bar 2011.
The bar the end of 2011.
Track 3.
It's also a one was say, Sam Nemeka say, Madame Meradias said the one my opportunity at my casa. Me when you be brew, made it by nipper pea, madofu be and to me auntie. Time now, made by. You know, required I can't one of the songs. A buyer actually ye. But I need a yabba practice. The truth is, I don't know about Ethiopia. We become with some say, and I'm a year. Get no straight. A present in my Matthias. None are down for your back to pay. It is a quote me from a year suitor at Tozua. Nippo de country friend, near friend of mine, here you know. So, one afternoon, dear, not me and Cassandra drinking my bravo. If you say Saka, so now my area check, bear almost 5 years I made that demo. Minyanti Ubianka. Oh, and the best interest is anything in ye no. But ye no. Mammy, ye no.
Now, Sanity now, Timmy.
O say,
now, Sanity now,
Miss Sanity, man, you know, once also was the OCP them. And I young to 4 there. Ye would that say, why didn't they are if you should be beer. And mammy, ye no. And then master more sad time, and I'm a brother me come. You see a knee pepe. Say, ye no. Tini panel straight for you. Into Obin car set of dog. Into Obin car so be one mount. Into Obin car set on foul be one mount. Now, fair than the neck to say, I come in one say.
Yes, and I'm on air. Aqua baby. It's a new Nasa channel. No, time to time, no, me sure said that the lumba. I bet you're shining you be brave. And you know, J. What to be brave now, and you more born be 80s and still a hit. I'm on quadri lessons. Now you're questioning because if you're catching me, say a young ones will be a bonny pumunji tutorial. So, yeah, quite nakojibina, bonyom pana. When the show neighbor show Belgium, a police for stopping the Queen of Ghana music, or small Bonsema Queen of Ghana music. They say that your music and a manager. When the show na a creme mine, and you're not a manager. On the can you, me them family sister. When the nana saw a Queen of Ghana music, it's all your show Belgium, no. When I send a sister, I swag now perform me. Now, over stop your shows, sir. Organizers now they mind your permission, and I say, you know, don't do my artists like that. Ghanaian artists will book you for international shows and patrol. Japan meets no na year because she's a very big artist in Ghana and Africa. You cannot stop her show. But in the muchemwa. Osama performance no esunye and send over through when you see.
Look at that boy.
Big shout out to konkonsa.com. Credits no eh oh dear. E kan keteketin kan be kata Frimbowski. Oh erade. From Bonnie Chemi. Omu tu din bebre obi ba Eugene Kansa was your friend Tafrimbowski. Yes, your friend no eji Lekatious. Oh, Charlie. Brian Fiom wate. In Fiom kwa udin ani Eugene Kansa. What me friend in konkonsa. Ti bibia ni ayebeto aso na Blacko. Soldier, stand up, bitch, your chest, they come, don't let them catch you off guard. And you now what did 2 months and say, no, ye chema at number 23, Billboard, USA Afrobeat. Yo, Bonsema Ghanaian artist, no raising the flag so high. Kato, and yeah, top 100 charts. Oh, how? And I say, we are top 50 in Africa, US charts, US of A. Black with the flag, you know. A rim. Currently, Jay, Yami Adom, or Mom raise the flag, no, a branch and a can. Wasako Miss School, Kumase Academy. Big shouts to Akunini. The Philly style baby, Yamen count no more who buy. A body say now, Cosa, na speed day one. Nay, need be brave because you say, you'll be a Santa Catcher, no, ya any at high, what I say. It's a, I said, Beno, way English version. It's a black one, Yamen count. Kumakafo in a bomb payama, Conongo Fonso Suchima. Your bomb payama, Auntie Mary that's a bomb payama or heaven home. What's it? It's a good news for Ghana music. And we hope say Behunia may be brave. Say it's a moment sema Blacko. Hey, yeti kroma yeshu. Yeti kroma yeshin. Baby a lucky. Kofo ho papa wo mo. Na mudi agro kran kofo be match abasa Flagstaff House honum no because you see youth na ni abre tobo. Yes, Sister Sandy na eka. Wale king of the street. Ono na ni street ne vibe. Ono na koget to sinim. Ono na ni omu din komo. Ono ni omu king. So ono na teye na walker. O kanso yo, we should believe him because say na make on the street for no and a vibe. Eti wale chimu nana krum ayeshi. Adudi. Wale won cram out in patrol. Wale.
The truth of what is happening on the street. The street is hot.
Mr. President, the street is hot. I'm telling you something. So if small entertainment too, they will come do why you for there. Mr. President, I'm telling you, the country is not going well. I'm telling you. Nobody, people just want to come and follow you and make money and just go, and your legacy won't be the legacy that you've dreamt of. And I beg you, huh? The Ghana we are there. The Ghana we are there where people say, Mama no they do anything. Mama no they do anything. Mama go, you come. They say you know they do anything, guy. They say you there, you know they try. Mr. President, forget everything. You see what Ghanaians are saying? That's what I am telling you. They say you know they try. Come on, entertainment stuff. They say you know they try. People are pissed on the streets. Telling you something. Telling you, don't see like that. People are pissed. Telling you, it's just that some of us in this country, we are cowards. We are cowards, Mr. President. That's what I want to tell you. That's how you go on stage and you find some. You see, Mr. WTK, the minister, where he come talk about the youth of Ghana. No, he was fucking right and fucking wrong. The right was that he's saying youths like, you say the president is not doing anything. The president has come to Independence Square. Can't you fucking sacrifice?
What? Oh, Tobo, ni Tobo brachas. Tobo na menkasa ase menkasa. Asem wo de nkra beja me enya abotre. Asem e enya abotre. Na menka bi ma wo. Aha, be ya next time patch wada ma wo ye life for saying drive it. It's very bad to drive and use your phone. It's wo yesa na kwa park na message na koyi. Ba aside no no de okan na de yate pa. Mema na na adon saka. Ti adudi enkrai eya wo dia sane nkofo sun se kroma ye hye no ya me ka se aye adwuma mponi en hye de nhunu so na unemployed omtimi fe omo Unemployment Association of Ghana timi wie school be kan Unemployment Association of Ghana ho pensa no adwuma bi e wate fo ni nto aban so sa na ye nto a ensem no eso kidi girl them sugar obaye and the dusty ho bra kwesi show so na mi hu boy mi hu se ni mu mframa ache kakra e me se nsem na e course no ne kra adwa ne afini mu e ko ni krom kwaw afi na e be fa ka asa ba ne ho won kran boy ne so ate me sremo ade na oye ehwe wanu ne ho o the way ana o kasa I mean you could tell say wanu ne ho and I keep saying that was a 19 years old jamina not even kiddie. This is kiddie now. Ye pa mo cho wate. Those tribal comments and those things, Twitter on your baby agenda. Mr. Sergio Manucho come agenda boys. They all used to have fun day. It's in what's more threaten and yeah. Kid by what's it say threats I will receive. Me catch. Hey, yazo. Oh, Master, more fun channel why. Na mumi interest so. Ebi mo so muntie ni nyum biem. O ma pepa na nyum hwenye watch. De be de kotie bend down low na ehwe de na kotie de na wo kan wate.
Be embarrassed about all of it, you know, so yeah.
You left in the middle of the listening session?
Yeah, I couldn't be there.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, we had finished listening to the songs already.
But you couldn't spend time.
Yeah, so I did a little and then I had to leave the space.
But why didn't you delete all of those tweets?
Some of the tweets, honestly, I do not even remember. Like, I feel like I'm walking. I keep getting there. Why didn't you delete them? But it's not like I'm walking around knowing that I said some things and they are there, and then I don't care. You know, some of them I don't even remember tweeting them. And I look at some of it, I'm like, I said this, like, you know, and like I said, it's terrible. There's no excuse for it, you know. So yeah.
But looking at somebody like Kidi, super nice guy.
Yeah.
Ochami Kwame was talking to me. He said, correct. You know how Kwame says things. It's like, but Kidi says, Kidi, correct guy.
You know, Andy, a lot of the things, the values that we hold now, everybody, not just me, a lot of people, the values that we believe in strongly now, we stand by them. We had to go through certain things in life to arrive at this place that we're at. Like, a lot of things that we believe in, we had to unlearn a lot of things that we grew up with and relearn certain things to also know that this is not okay to say, this is not okay to do. You know, learn human compassion, basic human courtesy, kindness. Lots of things that we are now, we weren't like that when we were kids. We had to grow. We had to grow to get here, you know, to believe in certain things, you know. So, and that was also like a different era of social media. It was like, it was different. You could you could say anything and it didn't matter at that time. Obviously, like I said, no excuses, but there's a lot of things that have changed over the years for us to arrive at where we are. A lot of us, that way we think, the way we see life, our outlook and everything. So I just wish that people would not define me or judge me by who I was 10 years ago. I'm not even the same person I was a year ago, so yeah.
Were you pushed into doing that? Was there any association? Was there any alliance with friends that were doing that, or it was just you being silly?
Like I said, in that era of social media, everybody was being silly. Like if we say we're digging out tweets from that era, you realize that the thinking, you know how the world is sensitive now and certain things cannot be said. We used to throw about words and it had no consequence, had no meaning.
I was trending #1, all because people were insulting me.
Yeah.
For me, even defending something.
Everybody catches the bullets.
Do you understand? She's lying in the hospital as we speak. My mom is at the hospital now. Don't allow people to say this about you and that.
And it's sad to see that there are people out there who they don't care about your apologies. They don't care about who you are 10 years ago. We don't care. You are the mistakes. We learn through them, and through learning we become better. Without the tweets, and I really wish I didn't have that.
Has it affected the streaming?
Not really. I mean, these things will only be known in the background conversation. But anybody that knows me and knows my mom knows that the fact that it's hurting me will definitely hurt her more as well. So,
yes. No, medical catch am say mommy en fa binya adesua na yensua bibi mfi mu. Me ma nenyo se social ne media no. Oya ade a eno ano no David eda wani mpa won na wo ron won ho ene ade no bigger deal bi na wo ho a wo ro ba ko etwork ye na bo. Nti mommy en fa nya bibi na me boy ne so nti mo za ne so ate. Onidi o. Yes won ntimi kura na. Nti mesre mommy en twa so na mo fa ncha no ni mu kura ye ha. Wa na so na yesterday wukrum na ye ntoa ensem no eso ye toa so a ene wukuo. Oh my god, osmo fa ensem bo shi asem yase emani. Like, I've got mad love for this woman, this big sister of mine. I've got mad love for her. Why na make an asemi? Ne now for close friends, a friend of Mandy J. Yes, but dodo na omunim no no so de adwumanim no mo friend Amanda Jesse. Ne dino mesonye Jesse. Nya number 3 omobo Jesse. That's right, Amanda Jesse. Sister Penny, me do too much. And then woman crush Wednesday, yeah, crush on you. Because only baby, you are too real to the core. And ya say no kofan call for you slim one when you be or so done. Like, I don't even know what to say about you because you are too real. She keeps it real in the game. Miss na me feel you, me say I won't feel me salmon, but me feel you pay Amanda GC. Instead, we are crushing on you. Or you sing and so come home. Oh, nano call rappe. Or rapper pan, and her vibes are so real and genuine. And Amanda to the gist. Famo, go, gaga, aye. What's Amanda? Nah, you do too much. The way I'm a Ghana, no. Yamwa yiko, nyafe na sabita fetch and prejudice. Ubeta weni, na ye bekan same way. Otiasi Joe Flower J. Metiti bi ba fo. Oh, metiti fresh one, the abro baby, I will be. It's a big shout out to Amanda GC. Ono ne me crash on na wabua anyumtofo bebre and for success stories no oka ho, but she doesn't really brag about it and all. But my mentor back on show say book back na oka omo success story no oka ho bi no be book back. So who Amanda will chroma put some respect on her name. Oye e talk no na da so bo diaper. It's madaroma mummy mbu mpanifo no mo game. Sister Penny, you are the one I'm crashing on and you are so beautiful. Oh, Bonsema Amanda, the way me do meeting ya kan. Na insha be brave. Na me nto aso na hey, infante for ne concert. Me che concert asem me patcho, mama fan out of context. Concert asem ho yesere. Infante for are very funny people. Be the way they talk cramp no. Melede. Chawala. Oya so Preslana my I was say him when I watch na nyame adom the fashion no remember 7 AM big shout I was say him nyame shout no so kan wo ho bi na obeje di say maami bi hu Kofi Kenata fantini a wahia ne nua fantini ai de maami ne rap ye na Kofi ayawa encha walenya Kofi a hey mommy ehwe ne a esi ya bra ohia the favorite artist Kofi Kenata
I go come back. Yeah, I'll make the phone. But I'm not going to put your mom. Kofi, oh, yeah, fancy me. Me just know where he from. Me just know where he from. What's my city? Give me him. Kofi, you are. Shabu da mo meja. Ya ma meja. Kofi, you are. Kofi, you are. Kofi,
Mabo program.
Kofi, I be you ke bia. Kofi, I be me fi.
Mama.
Kofi, me tell for you. Mama, go down. Kofi me ya. Kofi me ya. Kofi me ya. Hey, one call. Coffee from coffee shower shop. And you come no one because you pay over. I go come back. Yeah, I'll make the
enti Kofi Kenata die makasa ye CK man any papa nyanse mo a the next person na currently die wa raise fancy flag na die e Kofi Kenata on se na me fa America fo ni agro no madaroma fancy fo no mo so ni mu pa all tribes mo so ni mo enyo mpa de oba that the lumba we tribes ni na fili no what ya say enti Kofi so krom fo chemu a we your mini god mo hu na mo fa ni diagro enti Kofi nyame sha na kai say December 16th na birthday no so adaroma we ya mane yefe dodo enti afa beka ho na PR wa ha Presla na mai wa ha Richard Osmosis Sandra Sana aka production hene akwasinsia ka ho ye nyina ye ka bomu a jagwajoye medamu nyina mase se moka ho ema ne ye feye pa me refi papa ne di ba so ka ho ji style bi efo me massage otimi krake mechi sa nyame sha be brefo me need the Sandra heme obeku ventures and I style me. I'm the guy's queen. Utimi follow me across all social media. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Sister Sandy B. She guy. I'm the guy's queen. Ushamu. Oh. You baby boy I try here too. Bamakra.
Yeah, that Sister Sandy be a guy. And any team na se papa Sandra Capone one way. Edite yenumni adi nyami shamo. Said no kwe midweek mommy and what's the pay. The address sono young coma ye babedi we a fisimu na pomodi die muni de ebeshe asie na fe wahunu near elko enso. Na piwak natural health eka abuafo eboye chidom se fisam komodie no ya yen famramu. Tena di enya Dr. Peninwa waha. Tiena St. Andrews Senior High School for Asekel Kids toothpaste and a fake kidney mini syrup. You know what say? Omni abua for Piwak Natural Health eka ho ebientino. Piwak for the woman drew back open one and sent ye as when he saw catch it 3P garlic mixture. 3P garlic mixture. Dr. Prince Nelson Motiti ewa hasei anopei yedini komo doga anopei yamwache
mene ba mejo
na bibia bokodi
nyanko padaro me ho
adwuma mu koye
bibia dana kwan so papa
yedanyamia se Piwak Natural Health ka mawaka sem na fe yemra 3P so
yo medase anopei ma menche tiefo ene o ma mo hwe o Facebook nyina Piwak Ghana ha yen na yenam yen so a yetimi akofa one of the best organic stocks ye Ghana bibidura yam fan keja ye priapom dempa e dia ma Ghana ni wiase nyina no na ye buta ye kese pa no se enipa immune system no ye betimi aboama yarewan ketenketi ya betimi de ohaw abrayen so no ye betimi anye edura eye papa na enwani no abomuma na esanye organic na se natural pa e betimi aboa ama apom dempa etimi eden akoso
tiene Piwak Natural Health for asem eno no ntiamra 3P garlic mixture yenim dia garlic to me ye enti dia ne yakeka bomo ama ne ayensu because ebi mo wie no eye wo modin enti mayenhwe 3P garlic mixture
3P garlic mixture one of the unique drugs Ghana ene yetimi discover ama ana amanonefo nyina etimi asom esanse ye kan abibidura yamfan keja na yanwa edru esi ho ye hu nyina no nsuo bakokoro enim ye na mabefo kwan so ye nam science research partner yetimi atwetwe sa nnwenu yi
every in Rubranum na yade boama apom dempa etimi akoso some to be say na sa liquid nsuo vitamin C amode aye edru na matwetwe garlic ne no ma bebre na mode aye no sa nsuo kura monya no hefa dodo sa yetimi atoto noama aye efoyantama sa enwanu ya na say plant ye dwadware nyina efide susu a ye process enya sa vitamin C ya ye di ye edru na aboama Ghana etimi akoso and ye share Ghana for nyina bo say 3P garlic mixture vitamin C dodo a ye di produce ama edru etimi aboama Ghana for any amanone for etimi nya binom ye wo enough ye betimi aboama Africa any wi asempo etimi aboa amanoma etimi akoi
ni adwumayefo nyina ene me enhwe mfaso de wo 3P garlic mixture
yo binya ba anopai ma menka bibi kakra mfa ye mpanimfo ho the stage of menopause etimi eba any andropause any ekwan 3P ebetimi adan aboa won se ye kan menopause ye kwaye nuama ye ma menemu afa ho ye bibia ye beka ne se emma se ye na wotia se nko ade a wo yoba wo be fa the stage of menopause mu sort ya se ye dan ya wo so ye dan wo be fa sort ya se what is a normal condition that all women experience as they age. It begins at the age of 30s to 40s, or it may not occur until the age of 60. Maybe we do say busua mu a omo by 30 years ho no na ebratwa no na asha ase say eyi ne ho edi to 40 home and can normally na oba de oba etwa bra by the age of 40 to 45 no na oba ne bratwa no na eba wieye but obi wo ho a ne de no etimi eba ntem ena nkrofo bi so ho kura omo de na ema ntem obi ho wadi by 55 eko 60 kura abrante wo kodi agro say ma me de watwa brada wo ho a obe wo na nabama osisi ya sate ase aha enti obia ne sede ne de den etie ye kan menopause ya na enipa bebre wo ho a na ye fi se sa de abe bibi hunhun bi a e de wo how bi ebre yen anope se oba unya menopause se de kan no a normal thing to experience in your life enti ade ba ko hunhun se unya bibi fe the hot flashes sebio edu bi wo se wanim ehyeso oboso ehyeso wodu sa stage na obetimi hu sa signs and symptoms no so what you say menopause na asha ase a ba no edu bi kura na wotimi se anadwo mfifre tate pa ebi kura se woda woketa se woda pool mu baby woda na ho nyina afọ wotimi hu sa achenso de no se ema no du sa stage na omatenka ye be kan se libido no eya na ekofom ejapia se ene wo frɛ mamiefua na wo pesa ko na o ye ne ho style but sometimes I no anya botre kakra ma no menopause no betimi de sa de na ye den etimi e ma no kura du sa stage na wo be se ni nwien ni tunwien kura etimi ye den etutu obi kura na menwien kura de na aba menwien etutu sa the stage of menopause na betimi hu sa no ma no ye den ewom na enna horopa etimi che ye ma no bi pa so do sa stage na wontimi ye den enna memma so edu sa stage na frɛ no eye andropause you better say the level of testosterone in men no na a core form enti memma so wo ho mutimi ye depressed kakra ase wiase adwendwen nyina den eso no so ti ase na memma do sa stage no so o yeduma kakra na wabre kasa tenten pa etimi eka memma no epi edu ba bi kura na enti ase kura no na dema memma no bi e wono ma bi ehum enti che say andropause no so ya den asha ase na piwak for the enwanu no papa e de 3P garlic so unique say esan say enwanu no papa e wo 3P no anti-aging property vitamin C ahodo no ma hodo ye de 3P nintin say ye mpanimfo ma me for papa for no 3P garlic mixture na e bowo e ma won skin kura no say den ka be monche be winkle no esan say enwanu no papa na e wadum no e bowo e ma won apom de den etimi ewie peye edu ba bi wo tumi say enipa say na poso ne kotodwe no honam na tutu no ase ya so gya woni widiem ye de meko asra no 3P garlic mixture no e wo anti-inflammatory property wo mu a e be relieve sa pain na den efri ho ama hoto yare side den etimi awie papa e bia na obi hwe numbers no was screen so 0248 9288 24 0248 9288 24 in fact ye did 3p ba ye adanse ya Ghana fodi amanoni fodi no edoso na ebia na wutie ene ne de kan na wo hwe 3p garlic mixture 3p enye se mpenimfo nkwa na ebo abusua nyina na eduro ene ya picture na hoden no akosoro ye ene wunum 3p na wotimi say eduro pa na wonum so ti ase ewura nipadua no kama mafa bi enoma na obo no South Asia, ya picture one of the best Ghanaians organic drugs boy papa. Say moja buso hypertension. So now one numero for so many years still now no unya relief. I want to maya. Your best struggle say for 3p can we do now one mono. Yeah, catch say menya we do now one mono. For 3p can ho. Ube hu say results na upeno. Won sa bit me camp papa ama normal dem. Etimi ewie peye edi amawo. Mesra say se wo ho won sane won nan ejene ebia wo ho na won sa woso ebia na wano ase echa ko bankum anase ni fam stroke yare ene ebo nkaye no mesra se nya 3p garlic mixture ene ye kan adura betimi aboma ntini ama moja etimi ediafo sane ye pa number 1 dia 3p garlic mixture ena ebo yen ama bibi biara de etimi se obi ka se mani age makoma to meyem a se nipa ni die moja edi ni mafusa ni ye so ti ase
eni hu komo no ye ne ma bebre ba we na dog aboso nti number ni ebi ana bibi koso o video mu na wonti ase frɛ no na fe 3p garlic mixture no so wo so betimi agibie dog me hu location ne contact number se be ye obi hwe ya betimi
se obi hwe across Ghana na okoto 3p garlic mixture yesre edu no ewo eto a ebomu ne tie boaso no ekokɔ garlic kokɔ e wo label no so said ye hu no said ye obi emfa baby born nhyɛ nti obi kɔ no say ye ni 3p ho na ye garlic edo fufu ni 3p ni ye pɛ me patcho enye no kre ukwato edu na hwɛ sɛ ye 3p ni e so wi enani no papa na ewo mu no sika wo de to edu no ye ma value for money enti men ko gina ho sɛ wo to garlic keke na hwɛ sɛ ye 3p nya 3p a me patcho twemu kɔ mesre wada roma wapomudin wo liver wo kidney nti piwak say hwehwɛ de betimi aboa na support wo immune system no ene 3p ebia na wo hwɛ yen na wo bolga kɔ J-Wise opposite Senate traffic obunya 3p garlic mixture no ho tamale of akojo herba opposite tamale taxi rank obunya bi ho na sɛ wo wa kɔ mumune we enterprise opposite wa cathedral obunya 3p garlic mixture sɛ wo takwa anope wo hwɛ yakɔ was ebibidro fi na sɛ my joy herba ene so obunya 3p ho ebia na wo takrade kɔ AA men's na sɛ Charles obunya 3p e wo ho na etimi abo kɔ fodua fo enko Gapson pharmacy ena ohina na herba wo ho akɔ Albert Sam obunya 3p garlic mixture kuma se kɔ eya Colinac herba Misty Dani ena Crispy wo akrade a wo wa okanhye Angel herba Kingswalk Tinated Kofi Sam nyina no obenya enopai bi na etimi abo ebia na wo twefe homan kɔ eya Adofo herba 3p garlic mixture no obenya bi papa mesra se obi wo ho ontimi enna nya 3p garlic mixture wo fu ena ye kese a me pato ompa botimi ye free unan sister odukutimi free to unim nya 3p garlic mixture edoi enwani no papa na ewo mu no in fact sister bra papa yare enti mesra se piwak se ye de no kwarede nya misro e catch up se 3p garlic mixture no nya edopai bi na emmo na wapomde mu nsam nya den entimi enwie peye papa emfa emma
Doctor no pay yeda se ene wafutu nsam awodi amba ye nti dia ha wo abrabo mu yare famu nya 3p garlic mixture ni binom we eye garlic pure one fansu bi am fry ene ya chim insuo eye juice ede amba ye nti wa ne wie ye odene ene unya 3p ni bia wona akro no yeda na se papa number no 0248928824 0248928824 mene Dr. Eddie Siha mekwaba ni atwaso medasi biem samo kwaba ya Adom TV Badwam na ohye fisem komo na mede ebrawe na edwada no na eye osofo ba Caroline Hannah Anan ne birthday eni die mirefi pa nti no happy belated birthday enkoma asafo mame Caroline Hannah Anan Reverend Kofi Annan watakwa ne yire papa bi a will see the form crier na woda no nti obi a wotie bi a mesrew ka kire of penima me says of mame Caroline Hannah Annan me wish a happy birthday from the husband Reverend Kofi Annan send the title na akosra facha me papa minim aha ni abusua mani nyina wish you a happy birthday nyame shraw no nyo kese kosi so obeye kese pa na nkoma bi de mi di nkoma yi e wo phone so na before meko phone no so no se mahu a social media ye hunu owura bi a akora no hwe no a be afe ne konfie mienu be 1 to 2 years abemu akuma akora ena sa papa no ebre yi bi se ebre o se dio ena ode hwe akora no ode hwe akora 1 to 2 years. So they when you cry this be 3 years kra wo shine paw enye easy akra ketwa sa minim ne boni a waye say you heal say ye die na papa ndi na bufuo akosa innocent baby shono yenim enti bambofo Ghana Police Service okra de wo mo de 2000 Ghana cedi ato ho so bia wo beboa ama yehunu sa papa no a Wobo akrabe 1 to 2 years. Wobro no botro nyankura bro. And aba aye wode bo akra no. Say how? Tibambo fo hwe obi a baby a wo bi a wonim sa nipa yesro mabambo fo nte. Na Child Rights International fo so the one what to move fi so mo de enkra ye die ene hia won. Ejo mo so de 1000 Ghana to ho. So obi a wo beboa Ami ehunu sa papa no a ohwe akora no kraketo a baby no ene de ote ho video ne de oma ho commentary no ne ade je sa obo ami ehunu sa wo nso a na se ho so 1000 wo ho na me kan yenko he video e bi mra oba tan untime nhwe bo akora keto a we baby we ya woni hwi yenko he bi mra ne ba me ne ora bright apia e be de nkomo me kwa ba
bo we planu Tiens, so where are they open?
Ha. Hey. Na we edi ana akra na yawo. Hey. Ede mbe mi tibi hwe mpo. Ora bright apia no pay wote menka me mo ache dase. Me say ora bright apia line and drop it. Ye be hwe ne enya no. You can watch it twice. Say nipa we nipa ya ne tena. Sa be mo we ye be ma ye ne wo ba. How? Hey. Now crop any more cra. Debi akra keto away. Na dey no nim. Way 1 to 2 years akra. Now bonnet is happening muta no. Dear. Say the power kware. Ya che no kra ni kwan se ya man kwada se obi abedi ye sika o. Ora bright prayer no pay wote menka me mo ache da se.
Yeah, sir.
Hey, hey, me pa cho. Say the power ye nya na e de na mra na ka fa ho. E wa akra what it ni.
Oh, I'm running clear. So, this to Aquara. First of all, that's here to rescue Aquara. Now, Nipana or engaging in that act, say a man who are committing a criminal offense. I say a handover to Nipana Soma Ghana Police Service. Now, me a process to court. Then the court will determine whether say crime now are committing at what level that crime can be said to be a heinous crime. Then a brano are taking the course. But what is the most important to the state now, in terms of the SCNE and the welfare of Akorano? That is what the state is interested in. In all things, the best interest of the child should be paramount. So for that matter, what as of mine and as state institutions, the arguing no power the welfare of Akorano. Say yede omko yede boato so police for be there boato so whatever it is it's for the purposes of rescuing Akorano. And once we get hold of Akorano and then we are able to examine the state of Akorano, then Ghana Police Service can come in to deal with all the criminal aspects that involves Nipana where you say Nipana or recorded and almost or witness and they have committed an equal crime. The crime normal committee is the same as Nipana or Bo Akorano. And now, if you're coming now, Nipano Randina, it clearly shows it's a Sebio, Omunina, they intended to commit that kind of act against Akorano. But the most important thing now is say, oh, my no, Yamaya, you come back from that, but Pia Akorano will be a bit me a holy piano. Yashu, Yanshu, quite a bit me a pasama. Ne fiamu ne na pomodeno egina so
eh we dey anu odin o me ntime hwe kora me ntime hwe kora
we dey me nyajo so ba tan bia betimi
na me cameraman na ogina ha kora ntumi be ma chese how akra kitwa we na ubone ti se de wanya wo mate bi like how oh we dey also mrano say so lenient there was say emuye tene we watch a hardened criminal way nipa we yede netena but mu de enkura ho nsam na mu de akire pa wo sha we wo de ye hu no ye nti na numu asem ba de pa na beka bema amu abo akura sei no otwe no na ti kwakura bo ho akura ise nyame ye yesu ye mobo wo ha de pa na bema no e koso oboda mana.
You see, there's a lot of things in terms of the psychology, we have to determine. First of all, there's no way Obama truly acquire ne yemuba. I know mame acquire ne yemuba. Obeye maybe to that extent that you acquire. And say nipani normal. There's no way. The part of it are conducted the way no. And secondly, Sabio, no beer na our capacity, say Obashan Kora. The frustration alone cannot be under control. And some of this is a born out of they say insecurity, the state of the person. And it could also be the Sabio Nipano. Because there's no way a normal person will behave the way I said the unim sakrane uyemuba. And I say unim sebio akore unia obenya and chiasie or bonene papa. Because we share akorana within a year or two the sakran will be in that range. And that range, so psychologists will tell you that akorano is not properly develop to have understanding of what is wrong or what is right. Whatever conduct are correct within that period, it's part of their growth process. And, it's just a matter of you guiding how they do their things so that it doesn't become a habit when they go. But all these is a part of their growth because it is time for them to experiment. It's time for them to have understanding of the environment so it doesn't call for punishment because the purposes of discipline is for the person to know the wrong from what is right. It didn't say, oh yeah, clearly no, oh yeah, my granite has a wire body and that's on your body. And as I said, you why do you account in oh yes, you know, there are a number of things that can be associated with the conduct of this particular person. But for us to even go into those things, you know, I think the most important thing for us now as a nation is we would have our priorities on the search of whereabouts of this family, you know. Now, you get hold of Nipano. Any other issue, no, we can discuss it. Who Nipana the who's an argument, a can answer or a normal answer say. But the most important thing is and in most cases, you know, some of these issues about the emotions lose focus in terms of what is expected of us to rescue Akorano. But another many for because let's keep focus on say yebenya family no. Na yetimi na police for the social welfare for etibi enya Akorano. Once omunya Akorano we any there. Whatever it is that we need to discuss in relation to the Panama committees are offered. Na yakaho asem amanesi.
Asamo nti sa kra we no sese we ne hu sese ta akoso enti ni growth mu no sana ebeye
the way doctors that catch us and even at that stage no crano the bones of our crano they are still developing. And there's a lot of things that goes on in the lives of Ankara at that period. And you need not to do anything to disturb that process. And the ones who administer some of these things, you are causing harm to Akrano, the absolute development. And the body as a result of that. A bit may affect Akrano in terms of the structure, no. A bit me affected, psychologically, a bit me affected. And a brother or the brother, and the force now apply. You know, if the child do not have the strength to do it, look at the way also a Korano or change. Even the cry of a Korano alone is has enough capacity to suffocate a Korano to death. And if there's nothing about it that can be described in any kind of the papana, and I don't know the kind of mindset that Kosovo, the Timuntia, or the SRDN. But if you are making me a catch or say because of a Juma every single day cases a year receive think of about the Kora. It's Sebi time papa.
You're ready. I want to small.
Na Sunday be or out here. Ubisa okuta ubena me kontra office na bisa mo say enti den na be nipa ayesa boni we etia neba ebi o ma ube konso na e ono angasa neba ube konso na there's a lot of things that are competing, and one of the common things that are competing in terms of abuse our yankoramo say obi ni obi awa say bi omumienu enti embo one of the year is causing a lot of abuse to children in a sense, and yes say bi omawari o ebi omashia and na kwara efi baba. So it's not really about divorce, because in matters of divorce no kwano our small research here shows most of the parent involved their focus is on the welfare of Akorano. But they will be daddy mama, daddy papa, daddy say. Now, if they want to channel any punishment to any of the parties involved, then they use the child as an instrument in getting to the other person. We are, the children has become vulnerable to the extent that we see them as a piece of wood. We can use them for any kind of thing. And for me, videos in India, privately, parents trying to have access to their children.
Now,
and Korana and Kasa also don't have access to their parent. no more bread now we are we say me na me ba we say all kinds of things. We put children in the state of confusion from the early stage of their development.
Yes, serious. So right up here, young folks see her. You must have bound chair brace and be a bomb fire pass, and then it's na ya yentimi hunu sound croft way. Na a crown cry young quacker. Tessa said yenim a year time see ya what you. Ah, fena about social media, ye who sa crane, the who yes said to say yenim. See a bomb fire say, yenano, baby will be a free free be a young huna crano, and eh. Omo keka ho na fe ye nto ye da se no pay wo mre ye da se papa ora bright apia executive director Child Rights International na ye ten nka no nti infoni na ana video na hu ye no akra be 1 to 2 years as ne propose and wo force and hwan yo wo bro no che sa akra wanya be dunum na akra dunum kra sa wo hwe no kra na osu a sa wo hwe obakro wa ye mfo sa na wo hwe no osu kra hu se esu no kra no na atache na ma bufu a wo pese no what so ba hwe baby we na obu ne te se de enye fine nti mommoa na enyina ye hu no baby a sa ankrofo we mu no omo wa ha na be ma kwan nene efisem komo no me de asie Piwak Natural Health ye don wa say St Andrews Senior High School Kelkit toothpaste na fake the minister of ye don wa say me de afia amankwa tamaklo ye da se bebre o ma hina kwabna sante etwaso
ana no pe ene nya ntie se ubedru asalaja ene ne mpate mu ayade a nsio tade e wo ho no atwi edi afa de hye so ma ye bepie mu wa ha se me ne wo ka se di ye bedru ha no ase kwantempo a na da ha anka aka se tumi twemu ba se me ne wo ka se ayade a nsio no atwi afa kwan so a ache kwan ne mu mienu enti anyade a hyen bia ebetumi atwemu aba ha wo hwe mechi a na se ade a nsio no atumi ewurawura nkofo fie se me ne wo ka se be bia nsio na fa bia anyade a obehunu obia ewo efie ho ye ba ye ni ade hye ne bi edi nkomo
omom hɔ yina obi atu afa manfo ne magya pade papa na ni na ye nya etiko mu ano ye mu nsuo no ti esisi ne ma asi kwan bi nsuo ne efa no nti nsuo ne nya ba bi mfa te ban sa no a ese fa nipa atase na we ye ntimi blame aban no ese nya ga na fo na se ye blame ye ho because aban no wa ye den
so na fa fie me kra me ka afaka ni nya zana minim se be ba se afaka no kra si so mi
enti yenhwe be wo dem ho no utumi fa ejapade be firi
ho ma de me fa ni nyina
yes wo sa no ma nyina
ka me cars ni be na man ti be ka mi no ende e so na fa no
wo cars me no so na fa
so si e kwa kakra kra me ti me a kire we hu e so si a u jina se a u e so na fa ka no
me dia me wa e so na fa ye dem nyama ni na afa ye dem ko ye mattress ye nyama ni na so ndi no ko Member of Parliament awojina adihie no mu anemu ewo mrahye bedwefie ye che no ha ene no atwetwe enkomo
me say we chef from Densuna no a first party na nka ha se nyina no kwana no he nyina de na dem bi eni ho but I think from there 3 or 4 years ago now who say as almost started a filling station bi wo Nsuna no then the people started putting up buildings around the waterway. Ade ba ko was say nyina ye hu as Ghana for ne say river wo hwe e water ma etime yire se river ne yire a wo ye bibia enye ye obia ne so to me e be di pass be stop river say e yire say ya nso na efi baby na e ba there you can't tell but every time no e be 4 years 5 years 3 years river ne etime yire inti say yire there there's nothing anybody can do inti omo a ya almost see the Okotasa now she say a bank of the river no and a demawa you don't have to get it because who named that disaster beba ain't no honestly no ukoji dying and I ukosi dying grana the first thing you should look out for sanyama way disaster flood wahu ain't no sebana sana se uka na ye bubu dying na you see government are unpopular you see MP are unpopular because or bubu die waterway sometimes you are only trying to save them but they don't understand but sebani say another nyina problem and now we don't even know what to do until I feel say a dina yesisi waterway one the bank of the river is also another and then nyina ka huntina and say we have water shortage because in so ntimi nya access mba ena moreover nso so a omu ya no mu wo ho a omu di ball ani ade egum nti yesa na ehage senso ne yire pe enya baby mfa nti sade we dey I think say we should all take note of it. We should all learn from what is happening now.
Sisi amugira ha dey na mo ye o ha.
Sisi ai no on say eso no abba kwani ma sisi akwa no ache kwani mu mienu enti no ye madara shin say be ya cast betimi akono mu nkotam ne nkofa atoro enche from so san famba oh enti ehia ban ne mu as omra na bonfo so ma na meboa ne enti minya adwuma na eden ya adwuma na fi andra nwumre no abepem na no peye na ye enti aban ne na meboa ye hia mpanyifo we appealing to them to come and help us.
Well, ya sabe da mo nyina ma se quickly mame enchia Ghana fo nyina titru ahafofo nyame ya doma ya sha ase ye league no ye ntwen na obi abema ye se ye bebe ye league no Bono East anafi ahafo ye league no we say me run through quickly ansana afi me mpem for din komo is very important ahafo league me say ahafo league Bono ahafo league no anti mamencha doma manhene mencha doma manhene Sajefu ahafo league okay so ahafo league ahafo league there ahafo league Bono tournament pamcho ofan chemina audio ma intimi film sa Bono and ahafo top 4 tournament dinyame ya do ma china na ye hyase o say ye league no ne ma kakra bi aba ho twitwi kakra bi aba on china Became United versus Insuatreman FC. Became United versus Insuatreman FC. Ewo Fosuji Abo Park. Na echina krona so no Chelsea versus Adriana Stars. Chelsea versus Adriana Brekum Chelsea na making versus Adriana Stars. 3 p.m. Golden City Park. Na fene memenda no Insuatreman FC versus Brekum Chelsea. Shene so. Ti adaje ni bravo. Adaje ni ho. Insuatreman FC versus Brekum Chelsea. Na afi ne kwesi ada no. Adriana Stars versus Bechem United. Ukuada Bechem United versus Brekum Chelsea. Na afi ukuada corner no. Insuatreman versus Adriana. Nti me sports journalist ba me kromu ya de dia me ntimi fancy sa da bi ti enda mo ase vad Adriana team Insuatreman Bechem United Chelsea Brekum munyina we are grateful because your league is on hold nti e de gire mo brafo emu ye de na afi nyame ya dom so a 7th fiada we de enimi ano ye pa hontuma a half homecoming festival 3-day festival yeah, launching the 7th of this month. The Friday we are the other CEO, King's Cottage, and CEO Bechem United, Dr. Gama, Dr. Kingsley, Nana Baswa, Munina Damaso Kwansum Koso. Now, on the 30th, 31st, and 1st, 30th, 31st December 2022 and 1st January 2023, yeah, the homecoming summit, no festival, no bro, for homecoming festival. Just watch that space. A great celebration. You have to be there. Oh yeah, for this year, you have to be there. You need to be there. It's so important. Adeshamwo baby back to the Ghana pledge. The Amawe Ghana needs patriotism, love for your country, transparency, truthfulness, and honesty is important. So help us God. Now they are social. Now for Bibiako Kama Edi Amawe. Studio Hanum dear. Constituency Bakwa Electoral Commission that's with you. The Member of Parliament Etiha. Sir constituency no Member of Parliament and Etiha in waiting. Inti Electoral Commission for ya ka. Abranti ajibre atron krata hodo ni modi nkita ho. The whole Ghana is silent on this matter. You know, it's so painful. Inti na itimi push ni pe bi mom kususu. Enyoma bia ni hu kwan krasi susu ba eye constituency ho hia se wono so benya mpuntu ne kanko ti bibia da no se ehia na edi sala nkoma na me see me trust when him go asem because eye esin talk kesi a na twaka kesi a abeto ye kabi mami kabi eye nkoma biribia dan ye pese ye shebo kedam. We cannot that blind eye no e hunsusu so be ba at the appropriate time. Ye nyina ya kata eni ti say de ye hu de e ko so sa ko so as ya dance ye na de ya kwa say obi ndai o si nyane me. Nti electoral commission for na mrashibi jafo so aminim se mrashibi jafo no be 8 bi so ye hangi omo sa na ka ya president bi si aye ye go carry bi aba be 8 bi ye hangi omo 10 bi ye hangi omo sa na omo si ye technical yi ni flimsy excuses na ka omo kan bi si na ye ka president Ghana bi si akọ nti south for no so minyini se intesiko ko martin more nana no ma mo ti sa nkunye so mabunu no monte intesiko no mo gusu ti fita no intesiko nye edidi atem anase nye eye continuous sustaining the pressure odi gina all needed agencies and authorities so pressure 247 to make sure that once benya a member of parliament because unima member of parliament what goes into it no or serve as a lobbyist or the information free the August House of Parliament brand the constituents or the animunyam bia ogina manemu edimu nkomo bi o miamia bebre de mamo ebi dodo na mensin crutch ni ntiminye aban owo so no so bia na adwene kura ko free su kakra bi bo apayo ejide bia da no the middle agent no ogina on the intermediary ni koso ye the member of parliament representing a constituency's interest so sir cardinal sin a sin why they representing that interest. The nyame na do represent interest so akon also akabu ha semestre we nipa asese tu ho anamo no muntu ni ntemman na afi inram rashi bidwem na bibia ntimi ko kamama on that note mo akwaba kamera na nyame show mo akwaba
na emese na no pay safo ni age sese bi omo kamafobi oh baby na say awokan asema ya kan basai enye sanko asem eyo mamu ni nyina asem se age kamekan bia mamu age didia and the be hia se yemfa nye dwuma pepepe ya Ghana for ye church taxes kamra na me no ka se hwe ekwan bi da from Lekpe Mate efa Lekpe Peve eva Agbozome eko pie lolobi hia asem epie Kumase kamra kwan ni nyina ni o major link enti want me emphasize kan na can't me fa ho a wakofa ho ho asama ako o free Lekpe Agbozome na fa Lekpe Kofrodua okwa brane na no anajo we wa wonim say anajo dwuma operation na me dia me peye pa me ko untimi cross bridge bi o untimi cross esi amaka mani abre okra mesre obi na masre ofa bi na maka bu ano makosi aye bridge na mom koka bi antimi fa so biom enti untimi fa ho a obesa ba Kofrodua akwa Agbozome akofa Kumase asma besia akwa brane
this is with my through that
through very short road kama every abrane ekokokran to me hu kwan bi etisada mankos pa gina kwan fi pon tisi atazi nkobi trotro nkobi yame ye wadoma tipatra na se abobo yei ogodun so no agisi wato masfia onyama na odiko okrum enti no na ekoso wo yempotem ho no oka amanfo peso beka ofati am nyina anim this assembly common fancy dodo na nkoye enti video say akriti assembly no esi okwa ejuma na esa nkomotime nya no enam do munis kanti omotime nya bi na sebi da na Ghana na ga so man no nya atwum na ama na Ghana ati na ati o kamera eti onyenku dia eti dua ye tie sa yen kan hwe aban na so kreti more regions ena wa do ope ena wati ya vote nda ko shoti yesi yo ya jatu ona so ma ye district wa ye mra na ye hye bibia kama yesi ya jatu oso ma ye constituency na ye kwa akoto aba a day before the elections na electoral commission wa to krata tintin dia bre say safo yi monto aba na yi president na etu wi a na ya ke constituency dia mamo come over in over 2 years oka obi anka hwe Uka na boss masara kwat na edu so aka na adwene de akyerɛ o. Na atɔre ngira kwat na so aka na adwene de akyerɛ o. Akɔgyina palm na aka na open ne bia. Ɛna yɛ de yɛte hɔ. Se a uka aka also wɔ MPB o bi na yɛ de se a. On koran ko yɛ lobby kakra bi. Ɛnyɛ kakra mbom se o me ko yɛ brick bi de abo am ko mbom am. O me peka FNS bulldozer bi kura no kɔ grade kwan bi so keke na count me fast on me nya bi. Na sa woni sa tun sa hode na e de na ogina so e na dey opera agisa nyame MPO hwe e de some small fans bi kɔ ne ho ene okodu akoma amafo free we ya hospital bill school fees e na den at least aka so nya bi na o de boa se osum nipa de e adepa Ajara camera.
Omo no bo.
So no akopo mission atie.
Omo no bo se.
Asitina etinyi na oni menya nyame aboya ba wiase camera. Na etinyi nyame aboya ba wiase ya nyina ne se. One e be sumo no nyame. Second, yemboa obi. Ansa na wo. Enti joy na mo joy FM no. Jesus first. Others second before yourself. That's the meaning of your
Jesus first.
Yes.
Others second.
Before
yourself.
Then I am on Joy FM.
Wow.
Yes.
Jesus first.
Yes.
Others second. Yourself and son wabem.
Wabem. Then I am there by you, no. Naka kwama on kwede na na obedi. Aka kwa tade na obese.
Emo botokra unwi ni di.
Aka fati ye na kan nko a. Say aka no pegon so dey abet na o.
Yeah.
But among force are looking up to you.
Yeah.
Enti ye best na ekoso no.
Yeah.
Enye papa. I say that kan na eko bebre a na say otra. Ma bisa question that camera. Assume say
ho na me pese ye be ko bi.
But say everything win.
And the pia nipa mani ko kasa nko.
San etie.
Yeah, ho na me pese be ko de.
But my make na ma for adu so.
Wadaruma. Ho de na atra
nko. Wadaruma. I can come. This I play to serve Otiri. Yes. And I play to serve Sa. And now we am me papa.
Wadaruma.
Ho de Wadaruma. Give me.
No, Wadaruma.
Mama Paucho. I'm married this your platform. Of course, my make am married.
George Odru, former member of parliament for New Edubiase and former deputy minister at Greek.
No, but good one also.
Well, remember the sound common so in Ghana now, probably amongst a few deputy ministers and members of parliament are almost trademark a truthfulness and a humility. Inti me no de aka space be Akufo-Addo be Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo His Excellency. Probably unknown some few other personalities be. That's why maybe even calling for reshuffle.
Of Ache. Hey, of other boy adwuma Ache.
Let's watch that space. Inti kwa His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo so
na say agreement and so ko di president. Even if you no over go share.
Na see en kan sa otherwise
na say president how you need to know about go share na no adwuma agree be on it as ye. How is that no for the campaign?
Wadaruma. The boss no.
Not for the campaign no be share. So for no gather pe president. On gather pe flag bearer bi. On do say man
Akonto factor.
I go to go the campaign. Me na me ni asem bia. On come off ambition.
Eduro ogona
off ambition. That's why rank na me.
We use oh my.
They who watch your papa.
I make sure.
Oh good.
We ma
okay. But bia na me kwa so kama.
Oh nyame adom. Bibia fine.
Conscious out take off for.
Oh me ko Friday kra me ko. Me ta ko. Na me ko ho a asema Friday keze ngo.
O be sala as well. Say mo say wasre.
Who's the number say? Ona wo so say am so David me nye interest. Na mo kra ba mo ha dwa de say no say. The Friday kra ma goes honorable. Agobo bo ni pan obi obo mo mayen no mo.
Sanity.
Yeah, that's a fact. Very guys na mama kai say obi akasa akere me.
Yes. Ebi wo ha ma wo ye dia. Wo na wo ye the responsibility.
Was in your boy no. Obi no ho mo bo mo mayen.
Yes.
You can there guy kakra.
It's worrying, especially in the area. Yeah, the poverty levels and the understanding of
but fortunately, Freddie was starting roads near the Unimterenu. In waiting there, I was on Manico. But however, time knows when Yamiadum says in here on TV or Edma. It will be Skakra to. director for international relations ONDC. What do you say?
The sympathy.
NDC for Betu and Amobia outside the boundaries of Ghana. Ejana naso. Anya Jumaketwa. It is ambassador Pepe. NDC should explain. The MZ Hono. We don't know how far.
Okay.
But also
so it's good. But walk us through a bit about planting for food and jobs. People feel that it's been a failure on this matter of planting for food.
Okay.
Just briefly,
planting for food and job has not been a failure because just last week, Okase ne Ekase, and maybe a potty farmers issue no buy.
Yes.
Ekase Bruno Swebino, ebi wo by ento. But potty farmers, the only thing they needed was capital. No me say boy na say our borders no Togo, Mali ne omoba eba be to abro ni nyina ne ko enti na me nya bi nko no me say boy e the minister call cabinet e kokoje approval say yem bane export of maize ni ade no because e ECOWAS no wonjimi fa ope enye just last week ya chingophobia omo exporto ebru almost smuggle their co. I mean, actually, later in the mom for the mom. Just last week, Jerry phone at you, later in it.
Okay.
No, suppose they brought the call.
Almost they call outside.
About the only offer.
See, they didn't bag what to so. But I need surplus.
No more export.
Come to me, made a export. Say, Obi or Ghana, Han can't say. Or Pedriane, a brew, Moko, then that to Winyabi.
A bio scanning
very good. Ain't ni born either a cost room. Ni born a cost room, so Fred, wouldn't him say, and never be the pushes out there. A cost of production and a haulage. Because they say, who call a Tobiasia, I all knew the Biazi consequence. Body Aberton with 20 cities. Ubadom marketer, a 45 cities.
Now 60.
And now 60. Why? Because car now. Remember typical example, about 3 months ago, you call rounds, Minister of Agri, you call Techima. Now, certain bro issue na, no say bro ton, 600 cities a wakra. I say how? Because you call hono, na ye be a 380, be a 400. I say how say 380 or 400, na ton 600 a wakra. You no more transfer. Say first, na Bruno. Odi fi Techima a bakra. Car no J 10 cities. 15 cities. But I said, no more Casano. Car G 1 bag, 45 cities. Why? Because diesel no, or no ton of 5 cities, 50 pesos per liter. See, or ton of 13 cities, 50 pesos per liter.
For Benyacho, look where the Hano appear.
No one has seen Munyede.
Oh, the main card, I say, no Benyache, and I made church Muse. Or no to
say people need to break it down. See,
but watch it down. Break be at
diesel no 5 cities 50 pesos, and out on 13 cities 50 pesos. It is an odd J 1 bag no 20 cities. It's all 45. Into the fee, Techima eba be do Accra. So 45 no. Ebekwa share 400 no. Whatever to so. Loading boys no. First no for 1 bag to carry more 5 cities. It's over 10. And over be shame. And sana ababe do Accra ha no. Maame ana papa na oton no. Onto the margin there.
Atoso.
Some information you call GPRT stage or Techima maize market. And papa no file book. And on my
it's practical.
On my bia na asemo okay me there's obi ebuku no. 2016 was the last time a brophy outside bar Ghana. But as at 2017, Benina na omuna yede, ebefebi yede.
Eriko.
The mistake we did as a nation is now see it being enya ska. Ne the be produce bi aya store. But the Jaima Burkina Faso ne ade ne yede ebefadeko. And then my price no. Simple economics. So they say when the demand exceeds supply, the price obviously will go up. Eti sesia ne there. So last 4 days ago, now me share CNN, Ethiopia, minimum Ethiopia. Bro Congo Graunya. How many they find just the nature drought. come si ho ukuteska wonya aduane bi nto yeah there fortunately aduane there aduane bi apebia bi ho the only difficulty is the price now the price you know so aduane is being driven by cost of production and the holiday are making cost of production nyame do kan afred dem say menka first na a top fertilizer 160 bag 160 cedis per 50 kg fertilizer now a 450 adum pono sebe a obenya bi
na wo kosam
wa gura wo nya bi
kamera we of say na wo kosam
busa sa question
fertilizer na on kire ni bo no ele bi e won ne na
wo si wo kasa
na wo kosam
wa wo fa Putin kosam
oh
on the produce
Russia Ukraine
Ghana produce fertilizer wa
and ain't been producing and ain't me my bet now if video so my branch e bi afreda so no e fertilizer a onyo bi obeto
very titi man fertilizer you mutu
yes
you organic and you inorganic inorganic ne dey dose be bring na ebu eno Ghana ha yenye bi wa the minimum or the least fertilizer plant that we see 1.3 billion the least
na skabere be
the government agi asase wo Asian constituency Domoro omuguso omubabesi o say ati Ghana Fertilizer Company Limited and that's why na CEO omuguso ombe yenyenwie ni de eno nanche ene wo organic no yo mutu ye wo liquid ene wo solid
the solid one
say what say zoom line on papa no compost was 60 plant all over the 16 regions them say kabe 6 no we enti ye ball ane ade ne ye tugu no say omufa no ma separate plastics near the nephew na they come the fertilizer no Ghana we need about 400,000 to 600,000 metric tons of fertilizer per annum ono de no kakra bi afa no was start onye nru ho it is okay say bit my fertilizer ho inorganic in there no for now you say gas in there unu say gas in there fertilizer and there no but organic in there go for be there start but volume now we produce no enye enough
so what do we do to support them
and then you import we fee ye dey be fee Ukraine ye dey be fee Turkey and American was ma of say
maybe them somebody be behind Ukraine do
the bibi dey say there me mount to fertilizer until don't want Ukraine Russia produce 40% of the whole world fertilizer 40%.
Ghana percentage wise of picking fertilizer from there, they say.
Oh, Ghana, the name we here by just 500,000 metric tons. Now the thing say a band say she said to quench your production. Now the big players in the whole Europe, almost no and so it do guy be investment about all tamale. Or call Russia. Omo catching say omo mano 20,000 metric tons. And no pono this is deposit na omra Ghana na oba no benye bi ma na omba frem ene ukuteska na ukwa ana me ka say 450 seba obenya bi mpo eno so ya asem edi kwa no ade na me ton 160 na se me ko ton 450 na me de ye adwuma se first na me de 5 cities a bi am de 5 cities me find 5 cities but to 15 20 it woki kan nyina boma ena maduane bo no ye de akosoro no imo eden ye pay a ye je no akosoro kakra bi kola kitwa bi na betoso enso but a basi ya say manage ba me dey me den say at least ye dey we aduane no ba ye botom sem na ye dey ha adwen and no so e will reason the whole Jamaican any cost of production and the labor kra no ufu obi a ono be che say odo 1 acre na oji 60 cities and no be cause of 100 because we no okoto ade a e bo no cost do and I will enye Ghana a worldwide and Fred enye Ukraine ne hwan asem bia globally Fred utie ujimi kanyem say wonni ebusuani a na wadan fu bia o wa ma no ne wo bi woni di nkomo a de cost wa the same thing o catch but politics inti na we wani atonchai kamara o ye ho say the asset there Ghana different from the global
me ntwa me offer
o say
me ntwa offer o na make do make aka o see o ma etim no kamera escafo o ma yimo
papa
ene hia fo so o ma yimo o ti me nka say ɛna okɔ Ethiopia omuni aduane ntino ɔman Ghana anyame ahyira ya mana broso kamna studio ha yɛte sie yi otu fam na de brochure ha be fifiri meboa Ghana asase be na hɔ ne a yɛntimi ndua eburo ɔfatina aka nanum to ona ejuma sector say eburo no po de anya bia mana broso na mbom asɔman sɛ be plan storage keke
a problem
Ultimately, yes, planning for food and job. Now storage, these are cereals. These are not vegetables. I can say, more perishable. What does it take for us to store maize? I'm saying to me, store into no. Never said the court, Burkina Faso account na. Now poultry from my pair. I've no befaka court, Burkina Faso, and I could have worked. See if I can or corner to the bar, so the better quite. And said that the price of the torso. Enti oman Ghana no ye de yon compare man ma bibria na ha mehwe voter revey and then nam from upper east all the way to Adan eko nsu na de bi eko dan bi na e bi o ya fa ni pare ko no ye wo nsu 24/7 e betina irrigation farming come e betina see storage facilities oman Ghana no ye plan ye nyama yi me e buy shop of agriculture me fan sha ban bako me na me ka say ndisi ye wa ban mu no ye ni nyina pepepe Yenye na so man say edua na yelipa o kwamra so no nyata de abehye na wo yem ye market kekra you are okay
you are good to go
I'm telling you are good to go when you bibia din kwan dia you are okay eto man nyame ahya ma na abroso hwe una madan kwan so na me oketa me ba tomatoes yi kwamra e pro na pro what does it take for us to just get a simple device any factory because any crops are no all the time very simple device a household crano ubetimi a process that tomatoes a can some rubber something be anya some so betimi adra ho ama 6 months 4 months inyama kitten mama say asitina am kamera ebeko yi we ye dey enye bebre enti no slogans no e dey we asum ba ye ya yenyama ni see for how long are we going to blame Ukraine and Russia the America say Russia Ukraine war ye better take here the next 20 years and Tibet na has of mine, ne susa. Now say Dangote, we are to Nigeria. Why be we see fertilizer plant can save your what? My be fertilizer be. On my $1.3 million of I can want say me billion $1 Now is it too much for us?
No.
How much money have we borrowed from IMF within 6 years? The care IMF from Kwan a bomb market in Kwan over 11 billion. And the agriculture a priority my
source here.
Oh, when the bonds stand there in the parliament over. And then almost 13 billion. All the bonds alone. And you can say, fertilizer here, out of this 13 billion, you 1.3 billion. Never see factory about boy now. What is wrong with it?
Yo,
plant no one. What's the for business? It's the same with the plastic company. It's the same with rice production. Here politicians, me koye campaign, me nyabre, me peskenti, no I call Lebanon nibiwo, no I must carry campaign. And the police now obey here kona kebe bo my money nyina no, na echiche sandwich. We all know it.
Okay, so
and that is why we are who we are today. We all know the truth.
How do you say?
Otherwise,
what would you do me and for you?
But that's the reality.
Yeah, but we'll have a conversation. And I must say, lots of people are expressing interest. 1% Komunya Kwenya to this Ankoma, ye do agree. Unfortunately, ain't me, Massa Kwenyan, but a text message by Benjamin Breniak and Canning in Adiaba. Honorable George Drew, I want to see now, yeah, Frederick Bonyoso, I want to say. Yes,
now Freddie can be about storage. Right now, no. So, Becca owns it, 2-3 years ago, Nisi warehouses be 80,000 tons capacity each. Makumako 80, are you ready? Only 2 and you're ready. And there were existing almost 232 so. They say storage facility are you ready? Now, if any ever started harvesting, what the government is going to do is to provide money. Now you serious in their store was these are warehouses. Planning for food and job, planning from 1, 2, 3 stages now. They say your warehouse, your harvester, and once your store. Na ye twagum ubo tomatoes so Sometimes omahene ase we dey ukrum titieni. Sometimes me wo yen Ghana for no. Yan a kitty problem. Enye John Mama, enye Kufuado, enye one. Yenye correct. Unifetente. Very good. Say man be akosi tomato factory
or develop
big factory be on. Yeah. Omo ye no. E hofo no. Omo ba enim me dey me no credit na maka. Me catch omo straight. Omo variety bi. Say omo friendly. Na omo fan provide factory no. Omo dua na e ba ye no. E na tomato price no issue 2 year.
No omo dua factory.
Could you please omo farmer?
Yeah, be omo farmer.
President go for time now.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Do me yen ni pani wo mu no. Hey, mo pa mo go for Jesus Christ ni Muhammad. Ba ko nye president, ba ko nye vice. Ya nsesen suban a say ya na be ko.
Nti mo wa ji correct. Say mo provide
factory. Mo ji seal na omo na mo kem bi bia eso e na e ba no. Ah factory na ye na projection. Say you be produce so quantity say no. Ah me kura me no mo lenke ke tomato no. Ediama buffer some dem school feed it say
e share the kwem
omo koton one farmer factory no omo ankasa and the following year kita say voter kita for the top
omo na top tomatoes
unko ha omo ni beje small small
lagoon ni ho an bebre sa o e no ma dig wells e no mo dis
omo year 24 3-4 times a year my irrigation to no there and akita de no ba heavy and no there no ebuye na ebuye no mo say call factory say afide mo mra meto and a factory for so variety na the mam no special one you process edigi say mo de na eje eko test say e producer e be ya na e process e be afide o mo say you to along the line no more year testing na fi abre na start April afi de say no more ton 400 omo ba hu me nko hu say factory for no me fan 100 kura on be on yesu ban it is sometimes in many be ho ana yan na e create problem no oni ni pan minim farmers ni bia oni ne beka oh ye ma o say ye ma fertilizer ye ma o seal ye ma o say e ba e be ton 4 cedis what you say for ebi ani di 2 cedis why you be awie ebi obewie na de no what say ton no baby 9 cedis ah na 9 cedis na about 4
cedis as na fi of one machine na no
mo hihia to
adna make an over ni party nam nyina ebi agina leadership so na leadership and policy ye nyina agya tum say na ka me fa won dia me na mepe uso of under na ope ene nyina da bi e ne sa o ma na mboa e enti sa ho ne fa won na e wo nyina no ye fa hye bakofo nsa ne fa institution fa ka ne ho no no hwe say ye be ya de papa that's the essence of democracy and voting me de their mom and penny who do their man no ya man institution ya man this car hwe say ye be ye the right thing go ja ye de a ye be say no poto ne o fa kai it is true say sin ko me kai under president Gofo for the Kungulugu tomato factory na war no for baby no say the same thing on be private people buy e be ji ye mom still no mu dua wi a ma go ton farmer factory no enti we have that example to have guided us in going into this area my view what by a agreement by the time that tomatoes ni be ready for harvesting you the farmer you stay off the farm
David
no you can't get me stay off the
easy sir
no, agreement say onu provide inputs ni bibia the farmer is supposed to provide labor and at the wet no on say process no it ni nyina bring boom aha bre na ha ko gakra and the farmer no the harvesting is part of
that's why I do the manner no see until no and the factory should team up with them during that process
it all boils down to
you a policy
yesubanye me say her friend minim gophobia yesubanye megajo onko harvesting anajo
yesubanye papa
I was start to hear say even snails are eating yeah grass snails at the free Cameroon the bagana
oh how
offer when I heard it I was shocked oh no you can find offer men can say you the offer
yen bibi say part of it
I'm telling you what at the free offer can investigate
never bibi say Fred no to one more no busa baby.
Na say me can't minister minister eba minister ma say go if you mukra me say nya no kware me say no kware okay say ye won but me
say man for some of me interview or say poultry is collapsing. Or say it has collapsed.
Poultry farmer net on
is collapsing. It's collapsing. No. Me mal facts. On say first one motor bro 160 180. Say or turn to 600. On say yeah along the line I mean you conversation with them say what they needed was a working capital. What I say? A working capital no more here. Because farmers, what they need is a Bruno. Also, mutono 200 January. It should be 200 throughout
the whole year.
December. And they be save warm. But when March, April, May be a bro bonnet.
A cost.
I was say poultry farmer. Very simple. You know, Mushia. Munina more capacity. You say. Almost be the whole year. Your number, your 1,000. We could you be here 400,000 metric tons of maize. Then the government should provide for them, or almost association provide for them at 200 cedis from January to December. Case closed. What I say? But fee. They don't have the working capital. I have a program you are one Saturday many Boris B. And now I think CJ and hosts our program. Who say they are willing to work. Now, some go bank, some go pay Bosnia and I see card Juma. Ghana Bank. It's kind of nearly be no interest. Who say who pay scano? Today Christmas every day. Say October. October is all year broilers. 6 weeks. It go apply scano October year by 2 weeks time the amount. November, December 6 weeks guy ready. By
November 30th.
Who apply? They November apply October. No. Maybe you will go now more March 30.
Next year. Na period na be twem.
Ya the amount. Now plans in Nigeria.
No, but Ghana banks are
now
very lazy.
They don't
take risk.
Or you know the Korea was business for this
guy very lazy.
And they say they are lazy.
They don't want to take risk.
They don't understand
the business. That's
all.
Ghanaian banks.
Bottom line.
Now come on, Ghanaian banks there some.
They won't apply. As a contractor, no apply loan November, December. Ghana, December, January, February, March, a dry season. That's the time I wait my construction power. But no apply can be August, September. When you can be 15th July. Every day you should talk.
So talk to me for you.
How this kind of man 15th July?
What about it for?
Land Cruiser is you. Then you told me you was a track. Now me told you go was my due sika.
We say if we yes in court trackers you know you are free to go.
That's what me call up me. Everyone. I'm telling you.
Fred.
And what they is strange.
Oh, find out. Let's investigate. I'll give you the information.
Who can? Mr. Mama assignment. Opa pedocument farmer me ankasa.
Okay.
Because Nancy, maybe you may be Nancy, Kofobi smuggle carrot at the buy, Kuma, from Egypt. Now, said the guy say, Yengi, Ghana, baby, almost ye carrot, pa, the whole Ghana, I was under the Mimodi.
What is
it? Mampong, the whole Ghana. Customers in order, say, we are bring me $10. Remember, no shiko. Mura ne cabbage nature say the package, you know. So, they go for no smoky buy, no. What you say? 10 kilos. One packaging is fine. But hotels for no say, who the Ghana there no? And no more than who dear who say
different.
Ghana there is the best. But yeah, dream is blame $10, no. One bag me ma be 3/4.
That's your dream.
Nam de mura na
agina 10 kilos.
Na tari. Botona no ani age. Wo hwegu ana wusu. So what I say?
Body for you.
Yes, me say, Mama Jesus Christ mo ba ko nye vice, ba ko nye president. Ya answer Zuma.
Okay, so you wrap up with illegal mining.
Elia
and the president who didn't come in there. Fred, these engagements, stakeholder engagements, back and forth, you know, I don't know that's always a problem on illegal mining.
Oh, man, business with the Santa and women on. Now, they need 419 behavior across the day.
Oh, Kasa.
Oh, make us say, Camera, offer, or man penny, or him go from where Galamse. Only moment now. Our national security briefing. Only penny 4 mudi Galamse, your moye. onim ni ministers ka ho onim ni MCs ni DCs ka ho onim ni party for penny for ka ho enti we o ma betwi V8 10 20 they come mention position a waste of our resources and time o ma penny nim onim na mo e betu so e betnya so problem no onim tem na yewura I won't say I can't say but it's the truth.
No.
You Professor Afrin Boateng. On ye nua I see tape ne ba. Echo. Den ya anti o tape no so. O si party ni heska. Party na BP ni omo heska. Kede Japan aben kan kire say omo penny form ye gam say no money momo. The former minister of local government, now is ambassador to the USC, Aja Alima Mama. One can't say MCs need to for my Galatina, or Munimomina. So why are we pretending? Yura Annie, former MP for Obuase East. Any sort of most of the sites. I could trap videos, I trap pictures, or the Mashanti regional minister, or the Abaha. Oh, no, council should be say, okay, if I may mouth platform, oh, yeah, interview. The interviews on Ghana web, no better. I'm paying for more of your man, that's why I can't be. Or the common mobile fee. Shadia, wow, want to me, and I want no interview as Empire FM. Chanyoka, Forest Reserve, Party Regional Chairman, or major party, a baby home by, I want to home by. One of them said to me, no.
So, no, what's wrong? I can't the call to me, and I'm on for a ballroom, no moody. Now you the only managing any over home.
And a company of
Samatex.
There be a conta mining. And I'm here in Nature, my million, I'm a pename. 2 minutes, that means that. Now I bet you know, nothing for one day and ra. Or say, of an asset inference. The person you can say, because me bow, Mirrors Commission about Bonte. And I'm a boy. I can't say. Ye man concession bia ye man between bias on call. And so I find a pedia call there. Send me open no and I'm a boy. Yes, ye man to me.
See or the bamboo for begin I say omo bi an question.
Capacity pen to do that. Forest Commission money money there. That me oh galamse me can. Na me bibi bi o. Excavator anya bia de shewa let me. In that question kwayem. Enye fem na fa na ko. Please barrier say ni Ghana be bia. Krona eko drum no nipeni ho ana edu ho ne ya moamoa ne de ahye ballet ne de akokwa ye de so nurse bi amba. Why we pretend, why we joking? Me makase na me bi so fa say ebi wona ne ho ana because say amafo be ya nya hu ske didi na yare no ye nyina na be ya fete ye de nyina ko ibi enti ebi o amame lan so be bi
yo mate. Yeah, what to do? But your mind be mining laws should be completely over or say against sacrifice. They say would be she am okay. Or lease within forest.
Within the forest.
As a mine or say transit. You too good at forest in Kahua in Trump.
Because reserve. If it's a reserve, Samatex akonta obi any who calls to reserve.
Reserve. It is a mra no mum and was here there. Itwem. Na ye differentiate galamsey no. Galamsey no. We say large scale mining or small scale mining. Newmont. The lines okuta and you me the same.
Really?
Didn't large scale mining licenses. But equipments are omono dey here no. And on the different. Now Newmont, almost surface mining. What's that money? Surface mining. And you want underground. Newmont surface mining no more. Surface mining, no na say amount for what TSB friend galamsey. The O22 was I see O22 and no surface mining. And you want underground. And no boss for there no more cover 2 kilometers down. And no. It's the emrano for me. Forest the end if you never call near assistant, more behind mining or forest. Na won't me talk on Samatex here. The woman say, Samatex omu train ya. Omu galamsey o. In your trap for almost from a chainsaw for omu galamsey ne. Samatex from galamsey ne chainsaw for no. Yeah, the concession man no man for the chainsaw and ɛna untimi so ɔno so agi lease a ɔba bɛ man or forest no ɛna galamsey for either atiesim no no kwa akɔbɔ ho ban why because obviously lease no ɔno yɛ de ama no na also wa apply for license or the kwa akɔ mine enti bi a mines for no ana minerals commission so bi on ba kwa inspection kwa ansa na ɔmo grant na yɛ na ma no no mbe wura forest ma kwa inspection yɛ koya lease yɛ de ama wa wo yɛ nya ma permit na yɛ funta ma asase ni nyina sɛ yɛ bɛka sɛ yɛ mfa ma mi wa na nya ɔno na yɛ obi ejo no na adwen ɔde kɔbɔ ho ba no ttt ase wa no sɛ de ade ama me ne sɛ me de letter kura kɔ petu mi yɛ mfa ma me mo si akiri ɔno so ne ha no sɛ galamsey fo ni si akiri no samates wo no hu yo ɛna ɔmo ya we ɔmo nka hwe ba ɔno yi atem so wɔkɔ hɔ pɛ na me nya ntumi na wɔ brɛ ndc time because ɔno man ne wa ya che ndc time because sɛ de ɔno kama mete o si na excavators be say 200 ɔmo hye no MPP buy so
that policy is a very useless policy and better make cry
say
excavators na ya kwan nye put them na ya nyansa na say ya excavator na ya hye no na de be refill is a nyansa men or stand me person
say dey ni we tuka na be bosum
na be dey bosum friend how serious at as a nation
very good ejina me say emra no no say dey ye hwe ni sisi ni because wo hwe galamsey yi say enye ade bone say galamsey enye na start here first nyina ho ye dey na fe dey akoba ni say to ade ase
mo di ama na broso
Fred mo ja o mo
on this note, you better know be answer. Wow. Oh, Minister Imanu Kamata. Wow, Jibril, we love you so much. I be at the bench now. Even shower and say, Bye bye.